Yo, what's poppin', guys? What's poppin'? I'm not gonna lie, I'm not really joining too excited at all, and I'm sure you guys aren't really excited for the market today. um, yeah, I sound excited. No, trust me, I'm not. No, I'm definitely not excited for today.
All-time highs and Trump speaking.
No. Not
Go.
only that, but we don't even have any lows.
Yeah.
Yo, bro, I haven't seen that cartoon in so long. What the hell,
Oh my God. Yeah.
dude? Where's that from?
I forgot that I used to watch it all the time, but I don't remember
Yeah. Okay. Anyways,
what it's called.
bro, guys, I am not excited for today, bro. Guys, hear me out. Hear me out. Hear me out. Before you guys say, "Oh, yo, like, why are you being so down today? Like, let's trade something." Guys, get ready to hear the list. All-time highs. Trump speaking at 11. No levels to the downside. No volume off open. And no setup anywhere near. Like, bro. I'm gonna try my best, guys. I'm gonna try my best. I'm gonna give the market until like maybe 10:30 before I get off because obviously Trump is gonna be speaking, and I'm not trying to be in a trade before Trump speaks. But I'm gonna try my best. I'm gonna try my best for you guys. But wow, what the hell is this market, dude? Like, you can't make this up. It's like if you just when you thought it couldn't get worse, it got worse. And now from here, guys, it literally can't get worse. There is no volume. These candles are 25 points. It's market open. Like, why don't we have volume? It's market open. These candles have no volume. I'm gonna try my best, guys. I'm gonna try to get you guys something here, but my expectations are below zero. Like, I am not expecting anything today. So yeah, let's see what we can get here. I was really hoping that throughout the overnight session we were able to sell off below this 15-minute fair value cap, but that's gonna have to wait a long time to get inverse. It will stay there. It will stay there for sure. But wow, okay. Maybe ES or something. No.
Yes, also. Yeah.
Yeah.
Shit.
It's not even that. It's even if we do get something on ES, there's no volume. There's nothing there. Maybe the best thing that can happen right now, bro, is in my opinion, we get an unexpected sell-off, 40 points. We retrace into that, and we just trade it into London and Asia. That's literally the only thing I can come up with right now. There's literally nothing else to work with. We'll probably inverse that fair value gap tomorrow. No, that fair value gap is really far away, dude. We would have to have a super ultra bearish day to even consider taking this fair value gap tomorrow. But yeah, I'm gonna give, like I said, guys, I'm gonna give the market maybe like an hour to do something. If we don't see anything before then, either way, I'm probably just not gonna take anything. But yeah, so my bad, guys, for like ruining your. I don't know. I know a lot of you guys look forward to trading for the day, but man, today is something. But let me tell you guys. Here, let me go live on YouTube. Let me tell you guys, today is gonna be something. And even if we do get a trade, bro, it's gonna be the slowest trade of the week.
The one gap we have on the 15 is like.
It's like, yeah, it's like 30 miles away.
And it's far too.
I don't know. For some reason, ES looks just a tad bit stronger than NQ. Maybe we can get something off ES, but I really doubt it. I really doubt it. Because if we measure it here, it's 11 points, so it is a fair value gap. It's going to close in 2 minutes. NQ is trying to sell off, so maybe we do get the unexpected sell-off that we want to see from NQ. I don't know. Because what I'm thinking is, the only thing behind the setup, guys, is even if we do take the setup, it's not going to be good. No way that it's going to be good. And the reason I'm saying that is we don't have a trend. We don't have a bias. We don't have anything. Yeah, exactly. It can't be A+. So if we take something, it will for sure be risky as hell. So if anything, I'll size light on it. Because the thing is, we can't even form a fair value cap here. We have 2 minutes left. It's only been 24 points. Let me see. And we have a huge SMT on both ES and NQ. Because NQ's trying to go down, is breaking new lows and everything, while ES is just sitting there and wants to go higher. But higher into where? That's what I want to ask myself. Let's see. Maybe in the next minute and 30 seconds we can do something. I really doubt it, but dude, yeah, no, we yeah, we're definitely not gonna see anything off the 5 minute either. Okay, is there anything to work with here? Definitely, yes. It's like 15 points. Yeah, 17. No, not even. 12 points. Thank you, working out. Maybe if, honestly, guys, if in the next 45 seconds we can break above this high on ES, I might just trade ES. But probably not. I don't know. Like I said, I mean, guys, if there's nothing to trade today, bro, we just get off. Plain and simple. I'm just hoping that us being at all-time high is not going to affect the week's market. Because if we remain at all-time highs for the remainder of the week, it's just going to be the same thing as today. You know what I mean? Yep, that candle didn't close. Oh, yes, did close a little bit higher though. I'm not gonna lie. On the 15 minute, 11 points. I'm gonna consider that. I'm gonna mark this out just for now. I'm gonna see what we can work with ES. But the thing is, since ES is bullish, I would look for longs on ES preferably. But the problem is like, what are we gonna target? I'm gonna enter longs and be like, okay, well, what am I looking for? You know what I mean? I don't know how to use the Fibonacci, so I don't know how to mark that out either. Dude, today's looking so cooked, bro.
Yeah. Looking.
I'm gonna see what I can do. If anything, I just trade with the trend and then just take profits at like, I don't know, maybe 1-to-1 or something, and just do break even and hold until I feel like. But even then, if I do, let's say for example, we take longs on ES, these candles are 3 points. We're not gonna get anything from that either. Like it's not gonna be worth it either because the volume is so dead. Maybe we can get something on NQ on the 15 minute because I don't know about the 5 minute. Although NQ is trying to sell off though. Maybe it causes ES to reject a little bit. And in terms of levels of liquidity, I'm gonna mark out, instead of marking out this one, I'm gonna mark out, I'll just mark out this one. So I'll mark out like London low DOL, and then we have internal low DOL right there. And then what we can do is, because if we sell off, maybe we can look for an inverse off the 15 minute on ES and not have to worry about 4 minute setup on NQ. Because we do have this low. I don't know if it's a strong level of DOL though. We can mark it out somewhat like this and mark it out as an internal. Maybe we can target that. DOL. Just like that.
Damn, bro, I was hyped about today.
Yeah, no, me too. So typically the day after CPI is typically like a really, really good, like, starting off, new market conditions, new everything. You know what I mean? No, bro, it's worse than last time, bro. But dude, I'm trying to cook something up here, and as much as I would love to take a trade, it's like even if we do take a trade, we're more than likely just gonna get faked out or just chopped out. Because look at this, we sell off, we pump up, we sell off, we work back up, we sell off, we work back up. And yes, it's just trying to seek higher. So if anything, I would say maybe we just go with the stronger one, which will be ES for today. That's if we can even get a setup going. But now,
even then, it's scary as no.
Yeah, it's not. It's really not even worth it. Let me see if I can get something here, but I don't know. ES wants to seek higher. Maybe we can get something off this 15 minute, but because we have 4 points there. dude, just not having levels of liquidity or anything, it just makes it so much harder. If anything, bro, I just don't even trade this. Because I'm
Yeah,
really
exactly.
to be honest, I am really breaking my rules here if I do consider trading this. Because bro, I mean, like I said, we don't have levels, we don't have anything. We're stuck in like nothing. You know what I mean? Yes, it's pumping. I don't know until when we're gonna pump into because I don't have any levels. I don't know if we're even bullish because we never got any levels below. It just makes it so much harder to trade. And then not only that, but to add on top of that, NQ is trying to go down when ES is trying to go up. So there's a huge SMT, which makes it even trickier to trade. Oh, yo, Bitcoin is
Yeah,
low-key
we're
pumping,
gonna have
man.
to put the prize in the bag.
Yeah, no, literally, bro. No, but to be fair though, tomorrow's Thursday, right? Yeah, tomorrow we have PPI. So if anything, tomorrow's market should be a little bit better than definitely than what we have today. You know what I mean, it's a red folder tomorrow. Um, but yeah. Yeah, yes, probably seeking higher. Yep, there it is. Okay, guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give some time for the setup to form right in ES. If I don't like the way it forms, but you know, as it finishes forming, I'm just gonna get off. All right, guys, I'm gonna see how the SMT is looking like on both NQ and ES if they're following each other. I like the volume a little bit more on ES than I do on NQ, so I'll probably focus on ES for today. Um, yeah, I'll give the trade some time. I'll give the trade some time.
Yeah, as you said, like, why are we rushing? But I don't know, we're not really rushing
No, no,
anymore.
no, no. Like I said, I'm not
Yeah,
really
no, if it doesn't look good,
no,
we
yeah,
don't.
yeah, no. I'm not really considering a trade. I'm just looking to see if this looks like even like worth trading, like if we can work off
Yeah,
something
yeah.
here. But yeah, no, for the most part, bro, I might just get off. Cause yeah, like I said, bro, we have no levels, we have no buys, we have no nothing. It's just literally the hardest market I've seen to trade, you know, this month. Just cause, and not only that, but we have Trump speaking soon. You know what I mean? So the market could probably just anticipate that as well. I'll see. ES does look really, really, really bullish, though. I will say 8 points on that 15-minute.
What size gap do we look for ES? Is that
10,
10?
10 plus, 10 plus, 10
10?
plus. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
How many points is a stop loss on ES? Well, not that I'm trying to trade it, but typically it's about 5 points. I like to do 5 to 6 points. But yeah, bro, it's the volume is dead, bro. Yeah, dude, look at this. We're barely even getting 20 points, and we're still in the first 30 minutes of market open when these candles should be typically 40 to 50 points. Yeah, there's no way I'm gonna trade this.
I think he's talking about probably some Ukraine stuff today, maybe. So
That's probably the
pretty big.
worst thing to talk about because that actually really
Yeah.
affects the markets. Markets are waiting on Trump to speak. Yeah, probably. Um, Yeah, dude, this is not. Let me see.
I forgot the drawdown trails, so pretty much only one loss we can take.
Nah, bro, you're good. You're good. We got that.
Yeah.
Dude, you know, I went to sleep thinking about that trade yesterday, bro. Because it was good. It's just, bro, on your account, bro, we should have done something to at least scale some out, bro. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Nah,
I
but typically,
forgot.
dude, I just never scale on evals. But yeah, dude, if we're looking to pass it today, bro, definitely not today.
Did
No
you
way.
think that first trade? Yeah, I know. That first trade we took yesterday, I entered before you.
Okay.
You think I entered too early or no? Or would you have
No,
entered that
probably not. Probably
anyways?
not, because the selling pressure. Yeah, no, the selling pressure was hella strong either way. So I would have entered
Oh,
before
okay,
you.
okay.
Yeah.
No, because I was looking, wondering like, oh shit, what if you entered just because I did? Yeah.
Nah, you're good. You're good.
Yeah. Okay.
But
Fucking pull back out or so.
you're gonna hop off. Yeah, no, bro. I don't blame you, bro. I don't blame you. Yeah, Blas, if Trump talking makes the markets drop to our setup from yesterday, will we take the trade? I don't think he's gonna make it drop that much. You never know, but I, I I will consider it. If the selling pressure looks very if the selling pressure looks really good, then sure, I'll consider it. But right now we're looking selling off a good amount. I'm not gonna lie, on the 5 minute. We've sold off 30 points already. I mean, we're getting something here. Maybe it forms something.
Yeah.
Yeah, hopefully. But the thing is, it just makes it really hard because in terms of like the buys, like sure we're selling off now, but we don't know if it's chop. We don't have a reason as to why we want to sell off. We have the 40 points. I don't know why we're selling off now out of any time. Maybe guys, maybe we can cook something up here. But Nick, bro, I'm not gonna lie, bro. In today's market, if I get something, bro, I wouldn't even suggest trading on that account. It's just not good.
Yeah. Not fair. I got. Yeah.
No, but
Yeah.
for
Better
now,
stay
you,
safe.
you never know. If the volume picks up, then sure, you know what I mean. But for now, dude, with this volume, it's just not worth it. But we'll see. Let's see if this Ferrari gap even holds up because we sold off over 40 points in 2 minutes or around 2 minutes, and ES is trying to reject back down. Maybe we can get something because we do have liquidity below. It's guys. The only thing is that I don't like about the setup is I don't know what or where or when or how we're rejecting. I don't know because we're at all time highs. It just makes it so hard. But I mean, we're getting a lot of selling pressure here. I mean, you know what I mean? It doesn't look so bad. Yeah, look, for a 50-point sell off here, not bad at all. We'll see how the selling holds down. If we can create a 5 minute fair value gap with the next candle obviously closing around this range, maybe we could trade a retracement gap into the downside liquidity into the Asia and London low below. That wouldn't be horrible. I mean, we set the London high. Well, the thing is, it's not a London high. Okay, look. So you might be wondering, yeah, sure, we have a London high here. We took it out. Well, the thing is, sure, it's the indicator is reading it as a London high because that's how the indicator works, right? It needs a level to mark out. But is it really a London high? Well, did we reject off of it? Is it a level of liquidity and so on? No, it's just a random high before the market opened up. You know what I mean? So it's not really a level of liquidity, which is why I'm not marking it out myself. It just doesn't make sense. You know what I mean? But yeah, let's see. Let's even see if this 5 minute can even hold, bro. Imagine we sell off just to reverse right back up. That will literally be my cue to just get off and not even look back at the market, bro. But let's see. I mean, hopefully in the next 2 minutes we can kind of hold this like down here, maybe around the below 20 range. We can definitely get a gap going there. But we'll see how this holds. Guys, by the way, the last thing that I'm expecting is a setup. So even if we do hold this, bro, I'll be very surprised. Let's see. We got 1 more minute left. Like I said, guys, if we can hold below 2420, 24,020, we could have ourselves a pretty decent setup, I would say. I'm not gonna say good setup today. That's, you know what I mean. I'm not gonna say that. But we can have a setup. You know what I mean. A setup that we can probably just take a little bit lighter.
Let's hold for another 5 minutes after this.
Yeah. Hopefully it doesn't sell off too much. Yeah, like the next 5 minute candle, we kind of have to chop it out. Just so we stay in this range. We don't go too up to for the imbalance, or we don't go too down to, you know, to the point where we can't afford a retracement. You know. So yeah, we'll see. But for the most part, this candle does have so far a pretty nice imbalance. We still have 30 seconds left into this candle. So what I would say, guys, is if we can get enough selling to to inverse this fair value gap on the 50-minute on ES and get enough selling to sell off on NQ, shorts wouldn't be so bad. Now, like I said, I'm not gonna say that the setup is good or it's not amazing. It's whatever at best. And the reason I'm saying that is mainly because we don't have any levels of liquidity above for me to know why we want to reject. I don't know if this is going to be a pullback in the market. I don't know. I really don't know. And in fact, no one knows. And that's the literally the biggest downside to trading near all-time highs. All right, guys, we take out all-time highs, we keep going up, and then it just makes it literally impossible to know when we're bound to reject. All right, guys, because typically I'm able to tell you guys, okay, guys, if we go into this level of liquidity, we could see a reversal, or if we go above here, we could see a reversal, you know, stuff like that. But if we're sitting above all-time high, where price has never in existence has been to, it's literally impossible for me to have an exact level to give you guys to tell you whether we want to sell off or not. You know what I mean? But yeah, so far this candle is selling off. Now in this candle, we can't have it sell off too much because obviously we need to afford a retracement before we even see this level of liquidity here. So hopefully we're able to sit around this range or maybe even go up a little bit higher before we see anything. And maybe I can get you guys somewhat of a setup. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys today. I'm not gonna size heavy at all. I'm probably just gonna do like maybe five or 7 contracts at best.
Yeah, for me, I might not even take it. No?
Yeah. I mean, bro, look. I'll let you know. I'll see how the volume is looking like as we retrace, because so far it's looking pretty good. You know what I mean? We're getting some nice selling and everything. Well, it looks like nice selling. It was only 22 points, but yeah, you know, we'll see. But I'll see how it looks, and if anything, we can probably get a server going. All right, bro. So don't even trip. Now, I would consider taking inverse off this 15-minute fair value gap on ES just in case, but I don't know. I mean, ES being the bullish one, you know, with the bullish S&P, taking shorts on this one is probably not the best bet. Imagine all this is one big pullback. That's the thing. Mo. The thing is, we don't know. That's the problem. Because I'll be, you guys know, typically when I'm trading my setups, I'm like, guys, I know that we're gonna go down. It's bound to happen, right? But here, I can't really tell you guys, or I can't tell you guys with confidence if we're gonna go down or not, because I don't know if this is a pullback. I don't know if this is gonna go down. I don't know, because we never took out any of my levels of liquidity. So that's the issue here. All right, but we'll see, man. We'll see how this one goes for sure. In the meantime, let me get this ready just in case. But yeah, it seems like we do want to seek lower. So look, if we can't really afford a retreat, I just don't want to touch ES, bro. Because maybe I do want to get my hands into some shorts for sure. Let's see how this goes.
Yeah, it's kind of getting close to that PT.
Yeah. I don't know, but I feel like my luck when I trade regular fair value gaps, like the one where we retrace and reject from, it always hits my price target before we see the fair value gap. I can't remember the last time I traded a regular fair value gap rejection. It just never happens. Because look, we get the selling and then it just continues. And then ES on the other hand, it's not looking, I don't know. Because NQ wants lower. We know that for sure. But if we were to miss out on the setup on NQ, we can always take it on ES, but ES is not looking weak at all. Like, sure, we're selling off. We have to sell off. I mean, NQ is literally bringing this down like you know, like a lot. But I don't know. We'll see. Because we're not near any levels of liquidity on ES either.
Also, again, it's hard to know if this is just pullback.
Yeah. That's something to definitely keep in the back of mind. That's why if I do take this trade, bro, which I don't know just yet, it would for sure be extremely light. Like, I do not want to risk anything here. But we'll see if we can afford a pullback here. This candle pretty much sold off like what, like 30, not even, bro, 25 points. So volume is still a little bit like iffy, but I mean, this setup is still there. I really wonder what led NQ to sell off in the first place. Because if not, I would have been off, bro. I would have gotten off like 5 minutes ago if it wasn't for that candle. But yeah, I mean, technically, all we kind of need is just a 20 to 25 point pullback, and we can get a setup. Yeah. But let's see if we can work with an entry here, guys. But if not, it's honestly gonna be fine. If it wasn't for the setup, I didn't even want to trade today. But yeah, we're right there next to the level of liquidity. If anything, bro, we probably take this out as well. Honestly, but if we take out this internal right here, it's not the strongest. Maybe we don't full on reverse from it, and maybe we want to seek lower. But that's not even the problem. The problem is where can we get a setup from? Because ES, we have a setup there, but honestly, look, man, I know none of us in here are trying to trade ES. You know what I mean?
Yeah, no, I the fucking
I'm not
hate
trying to trade
trading
ES. I know
ES.
you're not trying to trade it. I know everyone in here is not trying to trade ES. So yeah. And dude, even if we do try trading ES with NQ selling off, how many points are we getting here? Let me see. So let's say we would have taken shorts with the sell off, right? Dude, we would have seen 5 points, dude. That's like a $300 profit right there. You know what I mean? So let's see, but we're edging this level of liquidity right here. So maybe we can pull back into this gap and maybe get something. Who knows? Yeah, no, we're actually getting a strong ass pullback here. Well, let's see if we can even tap into it.
I think we'll get it for sure, but still, I wouldn't know if I want to enter
Well,
this.
no. I honestly, bro, I wouldn't suggest it, bro. Because look, these candles look insane, right? Measure them out.
Yeah, they're only like fucking
20,
20 points.
they're in the 20s, bro. It's, you know, these candles on a normal day would look. These candles look like a 40-point candle. You know what I mean? These candles look like 20-point candles, but we'll see. I'm just hoping we can reject. If we reject off here, I will know exactly what to do. Like I don't know if we should take the trade or not, depending on how we reject. Let's see, because it seems like the market wants lower. We've only rejected 15 points though, so it looks like a big candle, but is it really? You know what I mean? But yeah, no, we're getting a green to red candle here, so we're probably gonna see the DOL first. I'd be surprised if we don't. We can still work off this, so it's just an internal that we're taking out. But I'm preferably hoping that we don't take it out, you know, before we see the retracement.
Yeah, it would be a little better. We still have a bunch of levels on the
Yeah.
downside.
Because, dude, literally all we need is a 20-point pullback. Literally 20 points exactly. Because look, if we take out this level of liquidity, we have nothing to work with down here. Although ES is, yeah, no. So I was gonna say maybe ES is looking better, but no.
Dude, I'm low-key like always half asleep during these lives, but when we're in a trade, it feels like I just took a
Like,
shot of crack.
dude, yeah, like you fucking snorted a line, bro.
I'm right back up, bro.
Dude, that's how it is, bro. Dude, I promise you, I joined the streams. I'm like, all right, guys, good morning. Like, what's going on? You know, and I see a setup. I'm like, all right, yo, we have a setup. Bro, it just wakes me up, bro. It's literally like a drug, bro. It's like taking a whole line, bro. Dude, it's like we keep getting close to this level of the fair value gap and we go back down. Like, but we don't take out the level of liquidity. Like, make it make sense, bro. And the guys, the more candles we wait on, the closer we get to Trump speaking. The closer we get to Trump speaking, the choppier it gets.
Bro, I got on at the exact same. Did you
No
get
way.
on time?
Yeah, no, I'm gonna check my shop, bro.
I literally opened the game like at
No
the
way.
exact same time, dog.
No, bro, that's how it be, bro. This pouring ass market, bro.
I thought my phone volume was on. I was like, oh shit, wait.
No, I'm just gonna check my shop. Yeah, we're about to take out this level of liquidity. There we go. I don't know, bro. It's like I want to take shorts on ES, but dude, it's look at this, bro. There's no volume. Like NQ is dying down, and we're getting nothing here.
Alright, we just took it.
Yeah, we took out that level of liquidity below. It's an internal, so it's not like the day is ruined or anything. This is a less price target that we have. Or maybe we fully reverse. I don't really think that, but we'll see. Dude, I just want to get a pullback into this gap. It will literally tell me everything I need to know. Because ES inverse of 50 minute. Not like I'm gonna take it either way. I feel like I'm gonna regret that in a few seconds, which is just gonna randomly sell off. But or maybe we could have gap. I doubt it. Yeah, 27 points. Yeah, we're probably gonna shoot down to London for sure. The one at 956. It's just I don't have a setup here. I need the setup up here. I need to work with this one. I mean, maybe in 2 minutes we can sell off and probably create something here, but dude, the chances are very fucking low. We just need to see this, bro. It's not even that far away. You know what I mean? It's now 40
It's
points
really
is
not, yeah.
nah 40 points is far with this type of market, but you never know. You never know. Dude, what town hall are you in? Dude, I haven't played Clash of Clans in since middle school, bro. But I think I'm like town hall 9. I think this is the black one. Let me see. ES on the 15 minute can't even hold it. That's what, like, look at this, bro. If you take this, you're pretty much like you're gambling it, bro. Because there's no volume, there's no momentum on ES. The whole reason as to why ES is going down, although it doesn't want to, is because NQ is leading it down. Once NQ stops, ES is going right back up. Bro, come on, chill, bro. But yeah, even if we would have taken ES shorts, which there's no way I was going to, it's really struggling to hold below. And yes, NQ wants lower, bro. It's just we missed that gap by 4 points. Let me see how much we have here in this candle. 29 points, nothing. There, nothing.
Yeah, we might form a new one here.
I doubt it, bro. I doubt it. No, this candle closes in 1 minute. There's no way we sell off that much in 1 minute.
15 minute, which yeah.
Oh, on the 15 minute?
Yeah, we
The only thing that
we had
worries me,
another
bro, is we took out a level of liquidity now, so it's like anything could happen. You know, I mean, if the selling pressure like continues, then yeah, we could for sure see the London and Asia, but we can literally we have the reason to reverse at any given moment because now we officially took out the
Yeah.
first level of liquidity for market open.
Looks like I did kind of
Yeah,
maybe a swooping it.
I mean, dude, I'm not gonna lie, but if we get a lot of buying pressure, I'm not even considering inverse off that gap. I'll see what we do. Like this gap will pretty much tell me the whole bias. Dude, I'm looking through my banners on Clash. Dude, I don't know which one. No, it just doesn't. This week has been shit. We didn't get a trade Monday. Yesterday was. I'm not gonna lie. Yesterday was insanely good. I loved yesterday. I really did. Although I know we had a little bit of a hiccup with that pullback, which you know can't really control. Yesterday was amazing. I loved yesterday. Yesterday, if anything, yesterday was my favorite day of the month. But today it's back to chop. But yeah, dude, look, ES is it's still struggling to inverse that 15-minute. Dude, I don't think I've ever had like a good setup on ES, bro. Every time I trade it, dude, it could be the best looking setup in the whole world, like in the whole history of your career, and it still wouldn't play out. Or if anything, it'll go down like 2 points and reverse back into your stop loss.
Yeah, it's just a pain. It's slow, usually slow
It's
as
so
fuck.
slow, yeah, yeah.
Usually have to size heavy too to make the same amount.
Yeah. Why not take the 15-minute on Nasdaq? No, it's the same thing. Yeah, literally the same thing. Dude, Nick, do you know about phase? Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Dude, it's going
Something
to
happened?
dude. Yeah, no, it's going to. That thing is going to shit, bro.
Yeah, bro. I heard FaZe Rug is like the new
Yeah, no, but
memer
bro, the
CEO, I
thing is,
guess. I don't know.
dude, bro, ever since they stopped doing gaming, it's garbage, dude. Now, banks got exposed doing a whole bunch of scams, which, well, finally, you know, what I mean, it was pretty obvious. He left phase, then the whole scandal happened. What is that? His name? Something Max left phase. Now someone else left phase. Dude, everyone's leaving. It's gonna get to a point where that shit has nothing there and no one talks about it. Yo, I wonder how the phase
FaZe,
stock is doing. I wouldn't even be surprised if they rug pulled it.
dude, I didn't even know they had one. Yeah,
Yeah,
they
they
might
had
fucking
one.
rug that
I
shit.
think it's this one, Phase 3Q. No, it's definitely not this one. Yo, they probably
Yeah,
rug pulled their own stock, bro. I wouldn't even be surprised. Yep, it's definitely not
might
this
as
one.
well, bro. Just get one more thing out of it before it dies.
Yep, I mean that's all banks, bro. You know what I mean? Dude, did they rug their own public stock? There's no, dude. Imagine. Let me search it up real quick. Phase Clan Stock Market. What is it called? The Phase Holdings Inc. Yeah, Phase. It's not even on TradingView. Yep, it's not even here. Wow, bro. But apparently, it's saying that it's at 18 cents. Wow, bro. That's sad, bro.
Yeah, they were really big back in the day.
Yeah. Loki phase has been popping off, and they're the same, but they definitely found a way to venue. The thing is, yeah, they were popping off, with Lacey and all that stuff. But dude, I was going straight to shit right back again, bro. No one talks about phase anymore. It's the same shit every time, bro. Just clip farming. Now there's scams. There's people leaving.
Yeah, it's not even a gaming org anymore, like at all.
Yeah.
It's more of a content, I guess.
I mean,
content
they
creator.
did do good though. I'm not gonna lie. They played their cards right because
Yeah,
people.
yeah,
The thing
yeah,
is,
yeah.
dude, once you start something, if you get famous for that one thing, dude, you can't make changes, bro. No one likes those changes. You know what I mean? And I'm not gonna lie, I've always known that, dude. I've always wanted to like stop doing alerts for the server and just stick to education. But dude, anytime I try, bro, I always get like yo, like I just can't switch. You know what I mean? It's how it is, bro.
Yeah, a lot of people are in here for that one thing.
Exactly. The whole reason as to why people used to watch them was for the games. You know what I mean? Which is kind of why they fell off for some time.
Those phase rug vlogs would fucking slap though back in the
Yeah.
day. I used to love watching.
They're still pretty good, bro. I'm not like it's, bro. Another thing is it's more kid focused, so
Yeah, yeah.
it's more like cringy to me. You know what I mean? But
It's more like Mr. Beast type. It used to be
yeah,
just him and his family, and it was more like low key.
yeah. Dude, I'm not gonna lie, bro. I don't really find Mr. Beast entertaining anymore either.
No, not as much. I used to, but yeah.
I don't know.
Nah,
There's just something about the videos that it's like the same thing, boys. Oh yeah, stay 100 days. Oh yeah, bro, I miss my family. They never finish the challenge, and that's it. I mean, they hug their
it
family.
feels robotic in a way. I don't know if that's the word.
I mean, bro, that's what it is, bro. But when the money gets involved, bro, just like how everything starts, bro. You know what I mean? You start for the love of it, bro. For FaZe, it was the love for gaming. Money got involved. Now what is it? What
Dude,
is
I
it?
used to watch Mr. He used to do this
Yeah, bro. I used
series
to
where
watch
it was
Mr.
like
Beast.
cringy intros.
Yeah. I used to watch Mr. Beast
Yes,
before he
bro.
blew up. He would be doing saying the guy's name a million times.
Yeah,
He'd be
yeah.
dude, so many things, bro. His name, yeah, dude. I remember Mr. Beast before he blew up, bro. That's crazy, bro. That's actually crazy how much he grew. Yeah, and the
Insane.
thing, that's what it is. It's so repetitive, bro. It's just nothing, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Nothing on YouTube is I don't know if I grew up or it's just nothing on YouTube is good anymore. So you
Yeah,
prefer
man.
to watch him say his name? No, not like that. It's just repetitive. You know what I mean? It's just like, dude, those videos are so predictable, bro. Like, oh, bro, you stay 100 days and you keep a private jet. Like, bro, dude, it's 100 days, bro. Like, it's a multi-million-dollar jet, and I
That one
mean,
motherfucker, I miss my family on the last
nah,
day.
I mean, I get it, but like, dude, you know what I mean? Like, bro, it's a private jet. You know what I mean? Like, dude, you can survive a few more days. You know what I mean? Would you guys be able to do it? I know I'll be able to do it, bro.
Dude, fuck yeah.
Trump's coming on. Nah, he's coming on in an hour. But dude, we're already starting to chop up a little bit, bro. I might just get off, even if we have a setup, bro. I don't know. All right, Jordan, bro. I'm all right, bro. Dude, he got free DoorDash. He got everything. I don't know what entertainment he had in there, bro, but I'm sure he had a TV. I mean, it's a private jet. All right, bro. Dude, come on now, bro.
That's a dream, dude.
And not only that, but he could fly as well. Like he was able to fly. So it's not like you're just sitting there for 100 days.
Oh, what?
No. I think he could fly.
He couldn't leave the jet though.
Yeah, I mean, bro.
Bro,
Dude,
but
it happened last time
100 days.
in the woods, bro. There was like some video for the woods. Dude, they were doing fine. They knew what they were doing, but would you do 10 years in jail for $10 million?
I think
Okay.
I would.
Is it like a super, super, super like secure jail where it's like nothing but a toilet and a hard bunk bed? Or is it like one of those like, high-end jails where it's like, you know what I mean? Like you don't have the best bed, but like, you know what I mean? You have your own cell, by yourself, you have a TV, you get food, you can play outside, shit like that, right? Is it easy jail or hard jail? Let's say that. 'Cause if it's easy jail, dude, put me in there, bro. 10 million to stay there and just eat food and watch TV? Bro, fuck it, bro. Stop trying to find. No. I'm being serious. Like, I mean, dude, we're selling off a little bit. Dude, I'm being serious. That's how. You guys should be surprised. Jail is not really, from what I've heard. Jail is really not all that like strict as you guys may think. apparently it's
Oh
super
yeah, dude.
fun.
In
You know what I
some
mean?
countries, it's like a fucking resort almost.
Yeah, no,
Like, damn, they have it
dude, I'm
easy.
not gonna lie. Some people prefer to be in jail than the world. I mean, I mean, dude, you have free food, you have a roof under your head for free, you have free entertainment, you have your own phone, you have all of your friends near you all the time. I mean, dude,
Especially if you're like homeless. Like,
exactly, bro. Dude,
damn, bro.
I've been
Honestly.
seeing, I've been seeing videos of like of people bailing out homeless people out of jails and like, nah, bro, I want to go back in.
Put me back.
Nah, but yo, think about it, bro. Like, jail, honestly, now that I think about it, bro, jail honestly isn't so bad. From what it seems like. I mean, dude, once again, listen, you have your phone, you have your own phone. I know people in there have PS4s, PS3s in there. You have your own TV, you have all of your friends nearby. You can play basketball with them every day. You get to work out. I mean, this guy gotta be
Bro,
retarded.
we're all going
No,
to
no, no, no,
prison.
no.
All of us here.
No,
Let's all go to prison.
I'm being honest, bro. I'm being honest. That's what it that's how it feels like. Yo, yes is lucky selling off a little bit here. I mean, the entire market is selling off, but it's not like we have a setup either way. Maybe we have something here. Nah, 34 points.
No, we don't.
David got to be hiding something. No. Chill. I'm trying to
Bro,
cope
that's why
with
you haven't turned on your camera, bro, because you're in prison.
it. Bro. But I will say though, it probably depends on the on the on the location.
Yeah,
I
no,
think
it
I
does
think
heavily.
it depends on like how much of a crime you do. You know what I mean? Jail in Mexico seems no hell no, bro. You're tripping, bro. I hope you guys know that a big part of me is trolling, bro. Like, bro, come on now, bro. Some of you guys are so soft in here, bro. Come on, man. Okay, David, you think you can't make 10 million in 10 years? 10 million in 10 years? Dude, definitely. I don't know, bro. I need another business, bro. Panel, we are selling off a lot, though. We're probably going to see that down the low. It's just, dude, we just have a lack of setups, bro. Bro. No more all-time highs? I guess. Yeah, I mean, the further away we get from it, the better. Dude, BTCI is looking ripping. I'm trying to see what we can cook up here because I'm not gonna let you guys. Obviously, looking at hindsight, yes, is Loki selling off like crazy. Like the setup would have worked, but there's no way I was gonna take this, dude. It took too long. It took too long, and I know that drawdown would have scared us. We would have been like, let's say we would have entered like right here, maybe 3 points in drawdown. So yeah. Like I said, guys, I'm gonna give the market a little bit more time. Although the volume right now is not the best. I know we're selling off, but the volume is not the best. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Trump is speaking in less than an hour. So even if the thing is, if we get a trade right now, and it chops up, dude, we're cooked. We're beyond cooked. You know. Can you update us on the long term investment? I mean, honestly, it's we're green. We're green. I mean, in terms of long term, yeah, dude, everything is at highs. But look at this. JPQ or JEPQ, it's back at new highs, even though it paid dividends like a few days ago. It's back at the highs. Look at this, guys. We sold off because this was the dividends payments, but we're right back up. BTCI, dude, we're about to see all time highs on BTCI, guys. I don't know if you guys are in it. AIPI, honestly, it's just sitting there. AIPI is kind of like I don't know. It's something I just have in the background. You know what I mean? It's kind of like it's not really like it's just stable. It doesn't go up. It doesn't go down. It just does its own thing. But that's like an extra $500 you can make a month. You know what I mean? In dividends. But dude, are you guys in BTCI or JEPQ? Your crypto bag is up. Yeah, dude, crypto is ripping, bro. We're about to see all time highs on crypto as well. But yeah, dude, BTCI is the strongest one in my opinion. Oh yeah, dude, we just took out this London. Oh man, it sucks that we couldn't even get a setup.
Yeah, nothing. I just kept
Well,
ripping
we
down.
had a setup, but we just didn't get an entry.
Yeah.
And ES is low-key selling off as well. I mean, if anything worse comes to worse, dude, we can probably trade a reversal, but that will have to be during the PM session after Trump is done speaking. We can trade it back into all-time highs.
He speaks in like an hour.
No. He speaks in 45 minutes.
15?
45 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah. But yeah, dude, this is looking more like a PM type of thing. I mean, we have the setups. That's okay. Look, guys, I know this morning it was looking horrible, but the closer we get into it, like into the market, the more detail we have behind it. Now we have levels taken out. We have volume. We have setups. We have more things that we had off open. So the day is not over yet. I'm not gonna say it's over. But it is definitely gonna take some time because obviously we need to wait for Trump to be done speaking. But once he's done, if we can get a nice trend, we could probably take something off these 50 minutes. For now, it'll probably just be off this one right here. You know, like if Trump says something bullish, we could probably look to take an inverse off this and target this fair value gap and even all-time high up here, which let me mark it out real quick. So it would be something like this, you know, all-time high. Oh, that was not all-time high. I don't know how I tapped that. All-time high right there. Top. And then we have this right here. Because, yeah, right here, this candle's like 60 points. There's no way it's not. Oh, no, it's not. It's 57 points. It's close. But it's a fair value gap. That's what matters. You know what I mean? Now, the question is, can we hold it for later? Because, you know what I mean? Maybe we can get a setup going. Can you do some live backtesting? I typically do those like after the live. Like, I do them like after the market closes. I do them on stream. Holding the 50 minutes is going to be hard? Not really, bro. I mean, I don't really think so. I mean, well, you know what I mean? maybe it might, but we'll see. Because now, guys, now that we took out the London low, we have a reason as to why we might want to go back up. So if anything, I might skip out on the bearish bias and just be done with it. Because obviously we were bearish up here. We sold all the way down and we didn't get anything, an entry. You know what I mean? So now we can't really be as bearish anymore because we hit the objectives. We hit two objectives, the internal and then the London. So if anything, we can probably get a setup going maybe off this inverse into here and here. But the thing is, I don't want to take a trade starting now until Trump is done speaking. Because, guys, if you take a trade right now and we get chopped out, you guys already know what's going to happen, man. But, yeah, let's see what we can do. I mean, if we take a trade here, I mean, our first price target is 40 points, which is pretty reasonable. So we will have like a fair value gap start of the 15-minute FEG. You know what I mean? It could be like a level of liquidity there. But yeah. Let's see what we can do, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Although I said I wasn't expecting much from today, depending on what Trump says, whether it's bullish or bearish, I could probably get you guys to set up during the PM session.
It's definitely looking a little better.
Dude. Bro, Nick, look at my screen share, bro. People are so bored that look at what they're doing, bro. This is actually sick. I'm not gonna lie. This is insane. I actually love this, bro. But dude, that's what a slow market does to us, bro. That's actually sick, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
Bro, so tough.
David, this is help with profitability, bro. Yeah, it does.
That's a strat.
But yeah, depending on, like I said, guys, I know today's slow, definitely a slow day, but definitely not over. With the way the market is lined up on the 5 and 15-minute time frame, we could probably get a setup going. Now that we got, and the reason, once again, guys, the reason why I'm saying this is we took out a level of liquidity. In fact, we took out 2 levels of liquidity. We have volume kicking in, we have setups, and we have a reason to go back up now. You know what I mean? We have a level of liquidity up here. So if anything, surprisingly, right now, it's looking better than where we opened up to. You're bearish today? Well, keep in mind, we kind of already hit most objectives to the downside. So, sure, we could probably still go down. But, I mean, it's not going to be as bearish as what it was a second ago. You know? ES still has room for lower. I don't know. I mean, we did take out these. I don't really want to consider this a low, but we took out this level of liquidity right over here. Like, literally just now. Right here. Well, you can kind of consider, like, this one and this one level of liquidity. But we did take it out, though. In my opinion, bro, I think we start reversing starting soon. Like around this range, we should start reversing.
Yeah, maybe that last low right there.
What's up?
Maybe that last low right there, and then we.
I mean, we have 2 more. In my opinion, I would love to see the Asia get taken out and then we reverse. But if we want to reverse off the London, we definitely could. The only thing is, bro, even if we do reverse right now, I am not going to touch the market. I refuse. I'll come back later. You guys didn't short? Dude, we almost did, bro, but we missed our entry by 4 points. Look, we were going to short here. Dude, we missed our entry by...
Never got it.
Yeah, we just never got it. We missed our entry by 4.50 points. But yeah, maybe we can more. Like I said, guys, I'm pretty confident. As long as the volume stays alive, I'm pretty confident we can definitely get a trade going today. Just more for the PM session. I'm sorry, bro. I got it. Bro, you're good, bro. You're good. But yeah, I personally think we can get a setup today. I think we will tap the top of the all-time highs and go higher, maybe below midnight open. Yeah, maybe. Are you gonna go live again in the PM session? If the volume looks good, yes. Guys, the way I go live for the PM is if the volume looks slow, I'll just do alerts, right? Because it will just be easier on me. But if the volume is really, really volatile, and we're moving aggressively to the point where if I alert, it's impossible to get the entry, then I'll just go live. I mean, are you ending the stream and come back later? Probably, yeah, probably. I mean, I'm not gonna sit on stream and just watch paint dry. You know what I mean? Price below on NQ is bound to be corrected at some point, right? Oh yeah, I mean that's why we have levels of liquidity, and that's what I'm telling you guys. I'm kind of expecting us to go a little bit higher soon. I mean, I'm expecting a reversal sometime soon, but I don't know how soon. Maybe this soon, maybe this soon, maybe this soon right here. Who knows? But I mean, we'll see. For Apex counts, we'll be trimming once we get the PA activated. You'll be sizing lighter, but if you're on Apex, I wouldn't suggest trimming. No, I wouldn't suggest trimming until you see 52.6 on the account, 52,600. Keep in mind, if NQ in versus ES will probably be inside the 50-minute fair value cap. Let me see. This one right here, right? Nah, it'll be the same thing. It'll be the same thing. In my opinion, I feel like we're not feel. I'm reading that we're bound to reverse back up soon. Just how soon are we talking? You know what I mean? Blast, what do you think is harder? Passing the eval or receiving the payout? Passing the eval. Dude, receiving the payout, it's all about consistency.
Really?
Dude, yeah, passing the eval is a pain in the ass, bro. Because, dude, you're practically full porting. And with top step, it makes it harder. Because, dude, I'm not gonna lie, but we should have been done with the eval already. It's just the thing is with top step, bro. Bro, we get good trades, but the thing is we need 2 winning trades. Like, why is that a thing, dude? Like, I don't get why top step does it on evals but not PA accounts. Shouldn't it be better on a PA account for them not to pay out as much? But no, apparently they need a consistency rule on an eval account, as if that matters. But that's top step for you, bro. We should have been done with that like 2 days into the challenge, bro. But they want you to blow evals. I mean, yeah, but wouldn't they make more money blowing PAs? You got because you pay the eval and you also pay the PA fee. You got what I'm saying? Like I don't get what the reason behind that is, but
I feel like you're more likely to give up after going through the eval and the PA.
I don't
Maybe
know.
that's it.
They have some stupid stuff. Apex does it literally like vice versa, and it works 10 times better. We were on the eval for 2 weeks. Well,
Yeah.
you gotta keep in mind the market has been really rough.
I was able to pass an Apex eval, but I blew the PA.
It happens. It happens. What's your strategy with passing Apex evals? Dude, full port and just pass it. It's literally that simple. And I get it. You might be wondering, like, yo, don't you go against full porting? Yes, I go against full porting if you're doing it on a PA account. I know some of you guys in here, you're like, oh, I need $2,000 in 1 day. No, like, bro. I mean, but like with an eval account, guys, like I always say, man, eval accounts is just, it's a waste of time. Look, bro, like, I feel like platforms should, and they're not gonna do it because obviously it's how they make money, but it'll be reasonable for platforms to be like, yo, like, you know, if we've seen you pass more than enough evals, we don't need to test you anymore. Because guys, the whole reason for an eval account is for them to like see if you know how to trade, and then they give you a PA account to get paid out. You know what I mean? But dude, if you've proven your strategy 1,000,001 times and you keep blowing accounts and you know here and there because of the sizing, dude, like evals is just a waste of time, bro. Like.
Yeah, no, but at the same time, it's needed. Like
It's
the entire
it is
business
needed.
model
Yeah,
kind of like
exactly,
relies
exactly.
on
It's how they make
failing.
money to you know pay out traders and everything.
Yeah.
Dude, we might not hold this 15-minute gap, bro.
Yeah, man. That was like the only one.
No, we'll see though. We still have 6 minutes left into this candle. Hey, David, I'm trading on 300K account. What size is compared to yours on eval on PA? On the 300K account, dude, you have to go aggressive. We're talking like maybe 30 to 35 micros, and then on a PA account, do maybe like 20. Just because, dude, you have so much drawdown. You know what I mean?
Do you think those bigger accounts are worth it at all? 'Cause I
No,
don't think
no,
I've
no,
ever seen. Yeah.
no, no.
Mm.
The only worth it, like, dude, I feel like if people have a big issue like with sizing and they can't just get it right to the point where they lose 2 or 3 trades and they blow their account, then yeah, those big accounts are way better for you. And the reason I say that is because, dude, those big accounts, the whole reason for those big accounts is the payouts are the same, bro. You're gonna get maybe like an extra $1,000 per payout, which for the amount of work that you're doing, guys, hear me out. On a 50K account, you only need to make like what 3.6K to request a payout. On a 300K account, you need to make like triple that to request a $3,000 payout. You know what I mean? It's not really worth it for the amount of work. Now I will say though, it does give you the most breathing room in the world. Like, dude, you get like what, like how much drawdown do you get? Like $7,000 worth of drawdown?
You get a ton,
Yeah,
for
dude,
sure.
that's more than enough, bro. Yeah, like 7,500 apparently. Yeah, around there. That's more than enough, you know. So if you guys have I feel like if you guys have a big problem with your sizing and you guys feel like the trades that you take, you're blowing your accounts too fast, even if you think you're sizing normally, then you're probably just trading a really small account. Just probably trade like a 100K, maybe 250 or 300K account. I feel like that'll be way better. I've gotten 4 payouts and I last week. Still have 4K in drawdown. Nah, you're good then, bro. Oh, okay. The 250K. Yeah, you see what I mean? Yeah, yeah. You have a lot of room to take losses. So if you guys, honestly, if you guys feel like you that's your issue, then just buy a larger account. Because I feel like a lot of you guys in here, you guys buy 50K accounts just because I use it. Because I gotta keep in mind, it's my preference. It's pretty much all preference. You know what I mean? I can like manage and handle my losses and everything. And I've had these accounts for some time now to the point where the genre is built. So if I take a loss on a 50K account and you take the same loss, my account is built up. So it's not like I'm gonna blow it. You know what I mean? But if you guys feel like that's the issue, just maybe look into the rules or into the genre for other accounts and maybe consider doing that. You know what I mean? I feel like it'll make a lot more sense. Blas, do you think it's worth it to buy many fundeds to trade or your own or to trade your own money? Well, that's a really good question. And honestly, I don't really get asked this as much as I want to. But hear me out, guys. Right? When it comes to choosing, okay, should I trade? I have money, right? Let's say that you're coming into trading with a few $1,000s or your life savings. I don't fucking know. You know, what I mean, you'd be surprised. There's people here that trade with their life savings. You know. But let's say, for example, you come into trading with like a lot of money. And you're wondering, okay, well, should I trade my own account or should I trade a funded account? It all comes down to, hear me out here, emotions. All right. It plays a very, very, very big role in your trading. Because obviously, you know what I mean? It's when you're look when you're trading with your own money, here's the problem, right? Here's the pros and cons. Trading with a live account, you don't have rules. You don't have to anyone telling you how much you can and can't make. Vice versa, right? With the losses as well, right? It's your own money. It's you choose your own rules, right? Now, how much are you willing to risk per trade? Is it a few $100? Is it a few $1,000s? Is it the whole account? Who knows, right? So those are the pros. The cons is obviously you're trading with your own money. So if you lose it or if you blow your account, that's all your money that you put into it gone, right? Now with the funded account, here are the pros and cons. The pros being you're not trading with your own money. You could scale it up a lot. For example, on Apex, you could trade up to 20 accounts, which if you get one payout, that's $40,000 for trading money. That's not even yours, right? And the list goes on. You're not risking your money. You're not really attached to the accounts because it's not your money. Once again, you could scale it up, without your money. You know what I mean? Stuff
Really
like that.
cheap to start.
Very, very cheap to start. There's a lot of you guys in here that might be in school or stuff like that, and you're like, dude, I can't afford to put $1,000 and risk losing it in the account especially if you're new to trading, right? So you could get started with like as low as like $15 on prop firms and still make thousands of dollars as long as you know what you're doing. Of course, you know what I mean. I'm not trying to make it sound like a pyramid scheme. You know what I mean? As long as you know what you're doing, you could definitely scale it up. But what are the cons? Well, you have someone breathing down your neck, pretty much telling you, hey, you can't make this much, or hey, you need to trade a certain amount, or hey, you can't lose this much, or hey, we're gonna deny your payout just because whatever, some prop firms out there, and the list goes on. You know what I mean? Dude, there's no way we fill this Ferrari up in the last 30 seconds, bro. Are you fucking kidding me?
Fucking swear, man.
Dude, you can't be serious, bro. No, reject back down, bro. Reject back down, bro. Anyways, but yeah, you get the point, guys. It's all preference. Like, if you feel like you won't be as attached, do a live account. If you feel like you want to scale it up and you don't want to risk your own money, do a prop account. You know what I mean? You take trading payouts regularly? I try to do it every month. Yeah, every month. I aim for about 20K.
The way I see it is like, I don't know why you would ever risk your own money as long as prop firms are around.
The thing that a lot of people don't understand, and keep in mind, the only people that really complain about prop firms are the people that have never been profitable. You know why? Because look, the whole reason as to why they're complaining is like, oh yeah, dude, prop firms it's such a scam because they profit off you losing. Okay, well, don't lose. You're the reason why they're profiting, because you're losing. Whether you lose on a look, here's the thing. People like to think that oh, dude, prop firms suck. It's like you can never win. Well, okay, well, use that. The whole reason as to why you're not winning is because you're losing, obviously, right? Okay, well, go into a live account, use that same exact strategy, and tell me if there's going to be anything different. Will the market treat you differently because you're trading on a live account? No, you're still going to lose your money. You know what I'm saying? You're still going to lose if you're losing on a profit account. Dude, if you can't pass an EVA account, you're not going to make money on a live account. You know what I'm saying, bro? Exactly. You still suck. That's what I'm saying.
For the most part, the rules are kind of meant to discipline you.
Dude, exactly. Back to my point, right? The people that always complain about the rules are the people that have never seen profits in their life. They're not profitable. And why are they complaining? Why? Because Apex, Topstep, all these prop firms, they make rules to not pay out gamblers, right? The rules literally say, okay, we don't want you to be full porting, right? We don't want you to be losing a certain amount a day because we want you to be consistent with your trading. We want you to consistently be making money with your trades. We want you to be green 5 to 8 days, right? We need you to make a certain amount of money per day. Why? Because that's what trading is, right? If you can't follow those super basic rules, you're not a trader, you're a gambler, right? And those same people complaining about the rules and saying that prop firms suck and it's a scam are the same people that are gambling eval accounts and buying them over and over and over and over and over, making these prop firms money and then complaining that these prop firms have so much money. You know what I'm saying, bro? It just doesn't make sense. Look, if you gotta look at it, you gotta look at everything on on the bright side. You know what I mean? Like if you do everything good, it works. You know what I mean? And there's living proof of it. I mean, I do it live. I mean, there's millions of other traders that do it live. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you're pretty much donating to these firms. Now, if you're blowing accounts, obviously you're probably making a mistake in the market. It's your responsibility and it's your job to identify the mistake that you're making and fix it. If you're gonna be pointing fingers or being like, oh, or playing victim, like, oh, dude, the market, blah, 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 which, I get it. Sometimes it does happen. You know what I mean? The market could be very BS. It's how it's built. You know what I mean? Hence why nothing is 100%. But if you're always gonna be like that, bro, and not fix your mistakes, then you know what I mean? Then you're gonna keep on blowing accounts like never before. You know what I mean? That's how it works. You know what I mean? But yeah. And you took a level? Yeah, I know. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Trump is gonna be speaking in about 25 minutes from now, or in around 25 minutes. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is if whatever he says is bullish, I might just look to take longs off of this setup into all-time highs. I might just do that for today, unless we continue going down. I know I was bearish at first, and we still are pretty bearish. I mean, the trend is bearish. But a big reason as to why I'm not bearish anymore, guys, is because we were bearish up here. We hit not one, not two, but 3 price targets, and we're probably gonna hit 4 price targets. I mean, dude, why would we want to take shorts at the absolute bottom? You know what I mean? It makes no sense.
Yeah, no,
It literally makes no sense. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna wait for Trump to start speaking in about 25 minutes or so. It's 11:15, right?
yes, 15.
11:15. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for him to start speaking. If what he says is bullish, I'll take the longs off this, at a light size. If what he says is bearish, I'll just take cash.
Hopefully 11:15.
Yeah, yeah. You know how Trump is, bro.
Yeah.
But yeah, guys, are you guys down for that plan? We wait for Trump. If it's bullish, we take longs. If not, we take cash. Because longs is literally the only choice that we have for now. I mean, once again, we were right on our bias for shorts and everything. And the setup and everything, we just missed the entry. We couldn't get it. So I mean, now that we hit the price targets, which we would have been done for the day, unfortunately. But we'll just wait for the longs if anything. We took another level. Yeah, the internal. I mentioned it. Honestly, David, thank you. Sometimes I think about giving up, and I think you made it. So, guys, I'm not gonna lie, bro. Bro, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, bro. I feel like, well, a lot of you guys in here, it's you can't, but you guys have come too far to the point where you can't give up. You learned the whole model. You gain consistency in the market. You bought this many evals. You really can't give up, bro. It's like, dude, once you start trading,
That's
there's
the way
no
I see it.
stopping it. You know what I mean?
Yeah, bro.
I don't know if that's an addiction or dedication. I don't know. I don't know. Same thing, right? Yeah, same thing. Same thing. But no, bro. I feel like, dude, once you start trading to a certain amount, like, bro, once you've learned a strategy in the market, dude, you've come too far and you really can't give up. And the reason I'm saying you can't give up, bro, is because even if you quit trading, you know that you're gonna be looking at the markets every now and then, and you're gonna get FOMO, and you're
Dude,
gonna go right back
no
to trading.
other job is gonna like give you money like this. It completely changes how you view money.
Dude, no, in a good and bad way, bro. Like, it
Yeah,
wakes you up. You know what I
yeah,
mean?
for sure.
It's like, yo, like, if I learn this, if I really learn how to trade, dude, I can make like, I can change my life. You know what I mean? But the problem is you know, obviously not everyone makes it in trading because it's really really hard, and people do give up. And what tends to happen, bro, is if you ever traded at least prop accounts and you've made, or crypto or whatever it is, or options, if you made a few $100s in a blink of an eye, you can be like, wow,
Yeah,
my job,
like I'm
you
working
know
at
what I mean?
fucking,
And the, guys, the
I'm
more,
working at fast food. I'm making nothing, bro. Like, what is this?
yeah, bro.
It's just
The thing is, bro, like you lose your whole perspective. Perspective is that a word? Perspective of money. Perspective. Yeah.
perspective. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah. You lose that whole perspective of money, and dude, like, you're working a job. It's like, dude, okay, I made however much you made, like, what, $20 in an hour, right? And you're like, damn, but bro,
it
like,
took me the whole day to make what I make in trading in 5 minutes.
in
Like,
five
it's
minutes,
insane.
that's what I'm saying. It's like you just never look at it the same, and that's a big problem with trading, bro.
Yeah, dude.
Because yeah, as the thing is, as much as you can make, as much as you can lose. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's not the strategy that's hard, it's self-discipline. Exactly. Learning the strategy is not hard at all. In fact, I've taught well over 1,000+ people how to trade the markets. Right? It's just
Dude, it's
not
for sure
everyone.
the emotional
Yeah,
aspect. The
exactly. Not
strategy is
everyone
so
is in
easy.
the same boat. You know what I mean? Some people might be emotional. Some people might not want to lose money. Some people don't care about money and just keep blowing accounts. Everyone is different, and that difference, whether it's a 1% difference or a 100% difference, it will completely change the way everyone in here trades. Because look, guys, we all take the same trades every day, right? Look, we average out like 600 viewers per stream, right? For now, we have 450 because obviously the market's slow. But guys, on average, we average 600 people on stream, maybe 700, and like over 100 on YouTube, right? And we all take the same trades. But how come this guy's not getting payouts, but this guy's getting payouts, and the other one's passing evals, but I can't pass an eval? Why? Emotions. You might be selling early when the other person is holding to the price target. You get what I'm saying? So it's like, my job, I can only do so much for you guys. You know what I mean? I can't hold your hand all the way because you have to do your part in the market too. You guys get what I'm saying? Because how is that a lot of people in the payout channel are getting payouts, but there's still people DM me like, dude, I can't get a payout for the life of me. Why? Emotions, discipline, patience. People force out trades. They get early entries because they feel like it's going to go in their direction. They get stopped out and they get tilted. Right? It happens. It happens. That's how it is, man. You know what I mean? Because guys, I have thousands upon thousands of screenshots of people getting payouts. But I'm, like I said, I'm still getting people telling me like, dude, I can't get a payout even though I'm following all your trades. Like how does that work? You know what I mean? How come this guy can get all the payouts by following all of my trades, but you can't? Right? Emotions and everything. You know what I mean? Because guys, look, if it was as easy as me trading for everyone, like, look, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. If there is an option for me to like copy trade everyone's account and I just trade by myself, I promise you guys, everyone in here will be rich. You know what I mean? I'll be averaging 20K payouts for literally everyone. Because if I could do it, you can as well. You know what I mean? But it's just not how it is. You know what I mean? You have to play your
Dude,
part.
even just for me especially, even just following you, even I try to follow you exactly, it's hard sometimes
It's,
because it gets you. Like, I want to get out early. This is gonna go against me. Like,
exactly,
there's
bro.
just
Exactly. I
something on
get
it.
people telling me like, dude, dude, oh man, like, you're so green right now. You held to the price target, but I took profits early. Why? Oh, why exactly? Well, you know, I like the amount I was up. Okay, well, that's exactly why you're not really progressing as much as we are. You get what I'm saying? So, and I'm not saying it's a bad thing. You know what I mean? If you want your money, take it. You know what I mean? It's your account after all. But you know what I mean? People like to try to blame me for something that I can't really control all the way. Like, yeah, I'm here to help you guys and guide you guys, but I can't really pass everyone's account all in one go. I mean, look, take for example, when I did the Top Step 0 to payout challenge last time, I passed the eval in 2 days. I got a payout that same or the next week. I asked everyone, okay, did you guys get a payout with me? A lot of people got it, but some people didn't. How? Well, you know what I mean? I was literally on the charts. I pulled up my broker. I showed you guys when I was buying the button, when I was pressing the button and everything. Why can't you get a payout? Why? Because it plays into your emotions. I might be up $1,000 and you might be up $1,000. I want to hold and you might want to sell. You sell and I hold and I make more money. You got what I'm saying? Obviously if the trade goes in my favor. So that's why, in my opinion, bro, I don't really feel like these quote unquote challenges even do so much, because at the same time, bro, some people take profits, some people size heavier, some people might want to hold heavier. At the end of the day, bro, as hard as I try getting the same results, it's never gonna be the same. You know what I mean? It's never gonna be the same. For you, for example, Nick, yesterday we nearly passed the eval, right? Obviously the trade went back to break even, but we almost passed the eval.
Yeah.
But I have some people in the chat, a lot of people telling me like, yo, I passed my eval or this or that. Why? Dude, it's just different everything, bro. You know what I mean? No one's ever gonna get the same results. It's flat out impossible. I mainly do these
Maybe
for
they
fun.
took one trade, like, yeah, you know, without it.
You know what I mean? I try to do this more for fun and to prove a point that my model works, that I teach and everything. But getting the same results, it's not gonna be the same. You know what I mean? So yeah. That's just how it is, bro. That's just how it is. And that's why I always tell you guys, man. Like, do I not always tell you guys this? I always tell you guys, look, when I first started trading, the one thing I always ever wanted in my life is what I'm doing right now. The live trading, the teaching, the breakdowns, the signals, everything. I would have wished for this back then, right? But it's like, you know what I mean? I started off with only signals on Twitter, I remember. And dude, guys, signals will only take you so far. Not only will it creates very bad habits. Not only does it take away accountability behind your trades. I mean, we've all seen the very childish people in here complain and cry about one losing trade, right? And that's something I will always get bothered by, because, like, dude, you know what I mean? Like you know, grow up here. You know what I mean? Like, it's how it is. You know what I mean? That's the market. But it creates bad habits because people get so used to getting spoon-fed alerts that to the point where they don't put the time, discipline, effort, everything into. They don't put the work into the market, into learning how to trade for themselves. And not only does it make them be a, you know, like a baby behind the markets and getting literally spoon-fed alerts, like, okay guys, you know what I mean? Okay guys, we're gonna enter longs here. You know what I mean? Okay, enter now. You know what I'm saying? That's not what trading is, guys.
What are you gonna do when that person stops alerting?
Exactly. What are you guys gonna do? Like, for example, a lot of you guys look up to my trades, right? A lot of you guys like the way that I trade. What happens when I quit trading, or God forbid something happens to me and I'm, you know, nothing. I'm just not able to trade. You know what I mean? What are you guys gonna do? Are you guys gonna quit trading? Are you guys gonna go try to find the next really good trader or whatever? You know what I mean? Drunk crabby. I guess that works, right? You know what I mean? But that's what it is, bro. Like, are you gonna find the next trader to follow signals, or are you gonna take my teachings into consideration and learn how to trade for yourself? Right, to the point where you don't have to start, you don't have to spend. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys, man. You know what I mean? Like, I get it. Like, I run like a paid group, but dude, I do it at 80% off. You know what I'm saying? Like, dude, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, bro. For 10, you're never gonna find cheaper. There's people out there that literally charge $200 for you to tell, for them to tell you, okay, guys, I think the market's gonna go up here. Nothing. You know what I mean? No, there's no education. There's nothing. It's just because you know what it is, bro. The selling quote unquote courses on the internet nowadays has gotten so normalized that back then selling courses was actually like really informative, because back then I remember I bought like 2 courses which they were pretty reasonably priced, like $50, right? And I learned a lot from it. But now, bro, everything online is selling courses. And I'm not trying to sound like a hypocrite, because I know I get it, I sell the premium, but what I'm trying to say is a lot of people what's it called? They sell courses and they don't put work, because they know that if they portray a lifestyle.
And a lot of those courses are the exact same thing.
You can
Free
find it on
stuff you
YouTube.
can find online.
Yeah, exactly. But dude,
Exactly,
the way it is, bro, is they portray a lifestyle, right? They show you a Lambo, the same bullshit, bro. It's the same thing, right? They show you a lifestyle. Oh, yo, I live in Miami. I live in a penthouse. It's just a regular high-rise and brick that everyone in the world has. You know what I'm saying? They portray this lifestyle, and they're like, oh, guys, yeah, like join my course. You join the course, and you're like, dude, what's in here that's so different than other people? You know what I'm saying? And they charge an INR. That's how they say it in Spanish. An INR, right? Something.
Yeah.
That's how I say in Spanish. It sounds a lot better in Spanish. But you got get what I'm saying, bro. An arm and a leg. That's what it's saying in English. They charge an arm and a leg for a course that you can find literally with one Google search. You know what I mean? And you're like, okay, well, let's get started with the course. Okay, let's get started with the trades, right? The trades, they're not the best, right? And you look at Instagram straight after, and you're like, wow, He's out here eating a $200 dinner with a Lambo, and the whole Discord or whatever is red. How is he doing it?
With your money, bro.
With your money. Exactly, man. That's how it is, man. It's gotten so normalized online. Because I'm not lying to you, bro. Back then, the whole thing, course seller, was never a thing. Like, dude, you would look at a course and be like, okay, well, I'm super excited to get started, right? And it's just how it is, bro. Now it's like, I don't know, man. I don't know, but pretty much back to what I was saying, man. You guys have to get used to, like, dude, learn how to trade, bro. Like, take advantage of what I'm teaching you guys. Obviously, I show you guys, bro. I always say this thing like over and over and over, but I always tell you guys every single day, whether I'm sad, sick, tired, frustrated, annoyed, emotional, whatever it is, I will get on. I will get on. You know what I mean? And like, bro, take advantage of me getting on and ask questions, learn, and everything. I mean, because like I said, guys, the one thing I hate, the only thing I hate about my career, and I'm saying I know hate is a strong word, but I really mean it. Like, I don't enjoy doing this. Is alerting. I do not like alerting. I get it. You know, we all make money. It's the best feeling in the world when you guys make money, but it's like I just don't like doing it. You know what I mean? Like, I would much rather prefer teaching you guys and showing you how to find your own trades and take your own entries than doing alerts. Why? Because once again, it creates very, what's it called? I don't want to say spoiled. What's the word? It creates very
Reliant.
no. What's the word? No, not dependent. No. Entitled. It creates very entitled I'm not gonna say like a bad name or anything, but very annoying people. Right? It makes entitled people. It's annoying because I give you an alert. I'm here trying my best to give you, teaching you and everything, giving you the reason. And like I always say, the market's not 100%, and I give you an alert. It doesn't go the right way. People start talking shit. This guy starts leaving. This guy starts quitting trading. This guy starts doing this. It's like, dude. You know what I mean? It's annoying. And rather when if I teach you guys, we take it out. I'm like, okay, guys, like, it's okay. Let's learn what we did wrong. And in most cases, guys, anytime we take it out, in most cases, we learn what we did wrong. We probably took the trade when it was overbought, oversold, Trump is speaking, news is coming out. And we're like, oh, okay, that's what we did wrong. Let's not do it again. Right? Why do you guys think Monday I stayed cash? Why do you guys think today I've been cash all day today? Why? Because Trump is speaking. Anytime we trade during Trump speaking, we always get stopped out. You have to learn from your mistakes. If you're going to be an entitled, I'm not going to say it. If you're going to be entitled, then, you know what I mean? You're just never going to learn. You get what I'm saying? It's how it is, man. So I'm not gonna say very soon, but sometime in the future, bro, I definitely want to quit doing alerts. I feel like once I'm like more than comfortable, with my situation, I would focus more on just teaching you guys.
And you gotta be prepared, dude. There's gonna be a lot of backlash for that.
No, I mean, people are gonna leave, but
Oh, yeah.
there's always gonna be a few bad
The
apples.
right people will stay.
Exactly. The people that I want my community to be are gonna stay. You get what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, let me see. Just in, Trump is currently on call with Zelensky, I think that's the name, and several European leaders.
Oh yeah.
On Friday.
Ukraine.
Summit. Oh, dude. Wait, no. I was about to say, dude, Trump is speaking again on Friday, but we're not even trading Friday because of OPEX.
Oh, okay.
So we're good off that. But yeah, hopefully this like little rant or yap or whatever, I mean, it makes sense to you guys, man, because you know what I mean. It's something that I feel like I complain a lot about, yet the issue always gets worse and worse every single time. Yeah, sometimes. And for example, I'm sure you guys know. I know we talked about this a few days ago, but PB trades. I know you guys know the friends, the two people that trade. They even I don't want to say retired, but they quit doing alerts as well. Why? The same exact reason. People are so entitled. People are so annoying. When you take an L, people start crying about it. You know what I mean? It's. See, I know alerts done, but will you be telling us what's up in live, dude? You guys don't understand. I love going live. The only thing I hate about going live is when people are telling me stuff like, dude, look, the whole reason as to why I'm live, guys, is I know what I'm looking for. I like what I'm looking at, right? Let's say, for example, right, there's a setup I absolutely love, right? Let's take the trade from last week Tuesday, for example, or last week Wednesday or Thursday, right? Where we went red 2 times, right, on the trade. Dude, I loved what I saw. The trade didn't work out, and people are telling me, hindsight, like, oh, dude, we shouldn't have taken the trade. No shit, dude. The trade didn't work out. I know that we shouldn't have taken the trade. Like regardless, I like the trade. I took it for a reason. I like it. If it doesn't work out, don't tell me what you know what I mean? Like I shouldn't have taken the trade. You know what I'm saying, bro? Like it's so, that's the one thing I hate about going live, bro. Like the thing I hate about going live is I'm scared of losing when that's not what trading is. Losing is what makes you the better trader. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
it makes you a stronger trader. But dude, I have to be on live and I have to be perfect all the time. And you know what I mean? One little slip up and apparently I'm the worst trader in the world. You know what I'm saying? And then the same people that complain when I put out a win trade, guys, you know, I'm still looking for the messages. I remember the names, bro. For the people on Thursday, from those two losing trades, I'm still waiting on their message. Dude, I have yet to see them type in the chat. And I always have the chat open. Always, always, always. I have yet to see them say anything. But guess what? The second I put out a losing trade, they're gonna be right then and there. People gotta get over themselves losing a spot trading. Dude, losing is what trading is, bro. Like losing is what life is, dude. I'm not look, I'm not trying to be like any motivational speaker here or anything, but dude, do you really think you're gonna get started with something and be perfect at it instantly? No, but how do you think you learn, bro? By losing. You learn from the mistakes, bro. And that's why I hate people when people get in here trying to act like they're all perfect and saying, "Oh, dude, I knew we should not take this trade." Okay, then why'd you take it? You know what I'm saying, bro? Obviously, you're gonna speak hindsight, but when the trade is green, you're not saying anything. You know what I'm saying? And that's the part that annoys me the most, bro. I hate it because it's just it's the entitled people, bro. Dude, Josh, it's not even that the top traders in the world don't have a 100% win rate. It's that banks that win based. Keep in mind, banks and hedge funds, they win off of us losing. If banks and hedge funds can't even master a 100% win rate, let alone even a 70% win rate after investing trillions of dollars into an algorithm, what makes you think that me, a random guy, 19 years old, has a 100% win rate? You guys think I know it all to the markets, bro? No, I have a strategy. It's consistent. It works. You know what I mean? But it's not 100%. And then when that little percent or that percent that's not winning shows up, people are like, "Oh, dude, like, oh, every time I take a trade, oh, of course." Like, dude, shut up, bro. Just keep trying, bro. You know what I mean? It's the most annoying thing, bro. I really hate. That's literally the one thing I don't like about running a community or Discord, bro. Once I stop doing alerts, once I feel like I'm really comfortable in my shoes, like to the point I don't have to think about money or anything, and I do education, dude, I'm gonna love my life, bro. I'm gonna love it. David, did you ever start thinking of quitting trading when you first started? Dude, to this day, I even still think about quitting trading. When I have like these little losing runs, bro, like where I lose every now and then, and it's normal, guys. It's normal. But dude, when I have like these runs where I stop winning and I stay cash for a day or two, or I lose for a day or two, or I get a few losing trades at first, dude, I'm like, dude, like you start thinking to yourself like, dude, am I washed? Like, dude, how long can I really do this for? You start overthinking it. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but it humbles you
Yeah,
sometimes.
dude, the markets really humble you hard, bro. It's like getting hit with the truck by a truck, bro. It's that shit. That shit's, you know what I mean?
And you have it even worse. You have the server as
Yeah,
well.
no, for me, guys, you don't understand, man. You guys might think that it's all sunshine and rainbows for me. Like, oh, dude, like, what's it called? What was it? Dude, I lost my train of thought. I completely forgot what I was gonna say. Anyways, whatever. Um, do you dislike sending alerts on Discord or live trading? No, there's nothing wrong with me sending alerts or live trading or anything. I just don't like the idea that every day that I get on live, I have to be like, I'm scared of taking a loss. You know that, dude. That's not what trading is, bro. That's not what trading is. That's the only thing I don't like about life. So once I stop caring about what you guys think, because obviously, you know what I mean, I'm not perfect, right? I try to be as perfect as I can, always, with my setups as organized as possible and everything. But it's like I guess I'm at a point where I'm not so comfortable to where I'm at in my life, to the point where I still need to run this business as good as possible, and I always need to take back feedback as to what you guys are saying. So when I read the chat and I see a lot of you guys complaining and whining about losses, I'm like, damn, dude, maybe I'm not all that good anymore. You know what I mean? Like I start overthinking it. You know what I mean? And it gets to the point where I talk to my friends about it and they're like, dude, dude, who are they to tell you like what you can and can't do? You get what I'm saying? So, dude, I want to get to the point where, bro, where I don't think about money anymore. And in my opinion, bro, when I'm gonna get to that point is when I'm averaging maybe 4 to 5K a month in passive income from dividends. That's when I don't care if I wouldn't care. I literally wouldn't care if you're crying. I would just say grow up and you know what I mean, do whatever you want. You know what I'm saying? But right now I just have to take feedback on all the trees that I take. You know what I mean?
So you're gonna switch up on us, is what I'm hearing.
Nah, not switch up. I just wouldn't like think about as much as what people are saying. You know what I mean? Thank you, bro. Thank you, Monk. Let's see, David. A bunch of people here complain of just young babies ban or mute them. Yeah, I know. But the thing is, bro, look, I get it, bro. Look, there's a lot of you guys in here, and obviously there's gonna be that one person, a few people in here, a group of people that are always like, oh, yo, like, oh, by the way, guys, Trump's gonna speak in 5 minutes. Some people are gonna be like, yo, some people are gonna be in a bad situation where they blow their accounts or whatever, and you know what I mean? It happens, right? People get frustrated. I get frustrated all the time. It happens. It's how life goes, right? But the problem is, it spreads like a virus. When one person starts complaining about a loss, then the other person's like, oh, dude, I agree. They start complaining because they start like looking, like, for example, guys, look. I feel like this example would be pretty good. If I tell you guys right now to close your eyes, and in 5 seconds, when you guys open your eyes, the first color you should look for is blue, right? When you open your eyes, you're gonna ignore everything in the room but blue, right? The same thing goes with trading. When you take a loss and you see and you see that one guy talking about only the loss, and you only focus on that one guy talking, you're gonna be like, damn, he's right. And you start overthinking, you start flooding the chat, and the more people see it, the more people talk about it, and dude, it just becomes a whole headache for me because I'm the only person running this Discord with over 1,400 people in it. You know what I'm saying? And it gets annoying. I can't handle it. You know what I'm saying? So that's just how it is. Oh, and by the way, guys, we just took out the Asian lows. We took out every low to the downside. So now it's literally to see if we can go up. And Trump's gonna speak in 5 minutes, guys. So if we pump up, I would for sure take longs off this into the highs. So this is pretty much the only setup I'm waiting on right now, guys. This is gonna be my only setup for the day. Unless we dump down the inverse 15-minute, which I don't think is gonna happen, but you never know. But yeah. Hopefully all this yapping makes sense to you guys, man. Get ready to click the buy buttons. Not yet, bro. Not yet. Yeah, hopefully what Trump says is bullish, guys. He's gonna speak in 5 minutes, apparently. Can we inverse the new fair value gap? Which one? The only fair value that we have here is this one. Should I take this with the eval? I'll let you guys know when we get close to it, but for now, probably not. I just don't like the overall market condition for today. Although the setup does look pretty good. Unless you think about scalping up anytime soon. What means scaling up? No, I'm gonna warm up. I'm making enough money to sustain myself. Trust me. So I don't feel like I should add more emotions and everything on my end when I don't really need to. Oh, and by the way, guys, I'm talking to Apex again. I don't know if you guys know this, but the 80% off sale is gonna end tomorrow, I think. So obviously, if you guys want to take advantage of it, go ahead. But whenever they do the next sale, which don't ask me, I don't know when, I don't know how much it will be. But I was talking to the person that was assigned to me, like the person managing everything for me. And for the next sale, guys, I'm gonna do another really big giveaway if you guys are down for that. I mean, I don't know. I'm seeing if you guys are down. Obviously, you guys are down. I mean, it's free money, it's free evals. But I'll do another giveaway. For you guys. Would you guys want me to do it the same way how we did it last time, or would you guys want me to do it a different way? I can give away maybe 20 to 30 accounts again if you guys want. Maybe next week or whenever they do the next discount. Because guys, the 80% off discount they have right now is ending tomorrow. So once again, if you guys do want to take advantage of it, obviously the code is on the screen. It's called Blastoise if you guys want to, of course. But whenever that discount ends and they make another one, I'll look to give away some accounts. But how would you guys want to do it? Would you guys want to do it the same way how we did it last time? Where you guys show me proof of you buying an eval with my code, and I put it on the wheel. Or would you guys want to do it another way? Yeah, I'm seeing a little bit of yes, a little bit of no's. Let me know, guys. Let me know. David, do you think we can get a 15-minute setup here? I'm gonna wait for this one. Space. I'm gonna wait for this one right here. I'm seeing a lot of yeses. I'm seeing a lot of no's. But
let's do a class tournament for it.
Tio, I mean, I can do whatever you guys want. But yeah, guys, give me some ideas. On what you guys want. Do you ever get speeding tickets? Oh, bro, I gotta go to court again on the 18th, bro. And I gotta go to court again after, cause I got a speeding ticket on the jet ski. Dude, I don't get a fucking break with this shit, bro. Dude, who cares if I'm speeding on the water, bro? Like, it's the fucking ocean, bro. I just can't get a break, bro. So I got a speeding ticket for me going like 10 over, like in a residential area when the road was empty, by the way. And I get a speeding ticket for going fast on a fucking water because, you know, apparently I'm disturbing the fucking fish.
There's literally nothing to nothing to hit.
That's what I'm saying, bro. Like, dude, be so for real. And not only that, she give me a fucking speeding ticket, but bro, she's like, oh yeah, you're not carrying your registration on you, blah 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 blah. Like, dude, I'm not gonna carry a piece of paper on water, bro. It's gonna get destroyed. But apparently, I need to have it, so I don't know where I'm gonna put that at. Am I gonna hire a ticket lawyer? Yeah, dude, I'm fighting the speeding ticket by myself, bro. That couple's on something, bro. Dude, he gave me another ticket for having a covered license plate. I look at the license plate and it's like those trim things. Dude, it's all a money grab, bro. Like, what am I doing that's illegal? Me having a license plate cover, apparently that's illegal. Or it's another ticket. In fact, that ticket of me covering my nah, bro, chill. That ticket of me covering my license plate, it was more expensive than me speeding. You're a lawyer, bro. Back me up here, bro. Yo, show up to my court, bro. You're fighting a DUI. Okay, no, that's some crazy work, bro. The DUI is crazy, bro. Come on now, bro. Do better, bro. Do better. But come on, dude. How is that a speeding ticket for me having the littlest thing that says it reads Corvette on the license plate? It's so small that my pinky is bigger than that, and you could very clearly see the numbers. Apparently, that ticket
Yeah,
costs
as long
more
as
than-
it's not covering anything, I don't see the
apparently
problem.
that. Oh, by the way, guys, Trump is starting to speak. I don't know. We have a Ferrari up here. Maybe we could take off this one. Yeah, 55 points. Let me mark it out. But dude, the thing is, bro, it's like they don't even care. Dude, it's all a money grab, bro. Hey, thank you, good day, bro. Thank you, my man. Much love, bro. Much kisses. Mwah, mwah, mwah. But yeah, no, guys, it's like, dude, it's all a money grab, bro. It's a legalized scam. Same thing with insurance. Same thing with a lot of bullshit, bro. The kiss wasn't for you, bro. It's for good day, bro. How much does your insurance cost for your C8? Well, for now, I mean, I don't know if I'm gonna win the case or not. You know what I mean? But for now, I'm paying $168 a month. Don't ask me how. I do not know. Don't ask me how. Yeah. I don't know. I'm under my mom's name, so that's probably why. I don't know. But yeah, it's probably gonna go up. If I lose this case, it's probably gonna go up. But we'll see. Is Sean gonna be an hour late? Is he streaming it on YouTube? Or not him, but are they streaming it on YouTube? Let me check for you guys. Like I said, regardless, we're probably gonna get a sub during the PM session either way. Trump speaking. No, he is not speaking on live. Wait. Yeah, no, he's not. I don't think he's speaking on live. Wait. I think he is. Yo. Yeah, he is. Yeah, he is. Okay, but so I'll just wait for him to be done speaking, and whatever the market wants to do, I'll just go based off that. Now, guys, if we sell off, dude, I might not take this inverse, dude, because we're gonna sell off so much to the downside. I would not do that. He's talking already? No, not yet. He does have to get on though soon. See, I got a parking ticket for parking in an electric bay, even though my van is electric. I mean, bro, dude, I got robbed, like legally. Bro, I went to the beach at night because the beach I go to at night, you don't have to pay for parking. I'm like, all right, cool. None of my friends paid for parking. I didn't pay for parking, and I got a $50 ticket for illegally parking. And I contacted the courthouse or wherever, the county or whatever, and they're like, oh yeah, dude, you gotta fill out this form, and it's like a form that has like 15 pages. I'm like, dude, and it's like asking me for like the most federal information, like, and it's the longest information. Dude, I'm like, dude, I'm not. Just take the money, bro. Just take the money. That's how it is, bro. Nah. It's not even like that, bro. It's because look. It's not even that, bro. It's you have to talk to the courthouse or whatever. You have to fill out the paperwork. You have to wait for them to approve you. Then you have to go show up to court, show them that somehow that you didn't park illegally, and then you win, dude. Like I always say, man. Time is money. You know what I mean? That means I can't go live. That means I can't alert. That means I'm gonna be missing out money on the markets. Dude, I'd rather pay $50 and just get rid of that than miss out on money. You get what I'm saying, bro? It's just so annoying that these people like it's like why, bro? Like, what do you have to do? Ah, bro, whatever. David, what's the fastest you gone? I can't say it here, bro. There might be cops in here, bro. The officer here, bro. Oh, in GTA, 150. In GTA. No, bro. I'm not. Bro, sad about $50 when it makes. Yo, look, man. Come on, bro. Look, man. What is it? What is it saying? A dollar saved is a dollar earned, bro. That's a dollar that can go into something way better. You know what I mean? That's $50 that can go to something way better, like a vacation. You know, it had to go to a very greedy, very corrupt. No, I'm not gonna say corrupt, but very I don't know, bro. I just got wrongfully ticketed and I had to pay for it. The first ticket count as a strike on your license? No. Wait, which one? For now, I don't have anything on my license, but I feel like I will soon because I'm being a little bit hard headed, and I'm gonna go fight myself for the speeding ticket that I got a few months ago, which for some reason I got the thing now. But I'm gonna go fight it for myself, so I'm just gonna say I didn't do it because the reason I'm fighting for myself is because the guy didn't even get me on radar. You guys know how there's like those little pole things on the road, like it's like oh the speed limit is this, and it has like that electric moving thing.
Oh yeah, those are new too.
Yeah, so the guy got me off there, but the thing is, there was like a million other cars speeding next to me as well. Or like there's like not a million, there's like two other cars speeding in front of me as well. So I'm just gonna be like, oh yeah, it tracked them on me. I didn't do it, dude. I was going like maybe 9 miles per hour extra above the thing. I have the ticket. I have to find it, but I have it. They be so for real. They don't give a fuck what you gotta say. I mean, dude, if the cop doesn't show up, isn't it like automatically dismissed? Or am I wrong? Yeah, I could also say that. I was going with the flow of traffic. You know what I mean? What's the speed limit? Dude, the speed limit was like 30. I was going like 40. Maybe a little more. Like 42, 43. But like, dude, I know. You know what I mean? Like dude. But yeah, but he's gonna show up. It's rare. Dude, he gave me a ticket for me going like 10, 50 max extra or above the speed limit. And he gave me that ticket like 4 months ago. Do you really think he's gonna show up? You think?
Bro, he's definitely not.
As soon as the cop don't bother. But dude, I've gotten like a million speeding tickets, but I gave it to like those people that do it for you, and they always win. So what are they doing that I can't do? Yo, the markers we're lucky ripping.
Oh,
Wait, hold up. Yeah, 50 points. Yeah, so the whatever speech that we're doing here, it's definitely moving the markets. But dude, like, okay, back on the screen. We're still waiting on the setup. But yo, okay, so if I fight the thing by should I get like those like lawyers to do it for me? Just do it using AI attorney. Yo, you might be cooking up, bro. I'm gonna chat GPT it. Yeah, they have connections. Oh, bro, that's another $100 that I gotta pay for that shit, bro. I'll call today. No, but seriously, like if I tell them that I didn't do it and there's no radar, do I win it or do I still lose? Because someone told me that his dad is a cop, and he's saying that it wastes everyone's time. You'll still lose. Will I lose if I said I didn't do it? Because there's no radar. He got me from the radar from the road. You know, like the built-in radars like on the road that tell you the speed, like around schools and shit. They really can't prove you did it though. Like how? That's what I'm saying. Technically, still, dude, I'll just pay for it, bro. I'll just pay it. If the cop doesn't show up to court, which they don't all the time, you imagine he shows up and I'm lying in front of his face, bro. He's like, yeah, you did, bro. Bro, yo, that's my biggest fear, bro. Because, dude, I don't like lying, and I don't like lying in front of people, bro, because I feel like I'm a bad liar, bro. Like, dude, I'm there staring shit at his face on the camera, and he looks at me, dude, imagine he starts making faces like, dude, you did it, bro. Had they gotten you a ticket from the camera? No. It's his word against mine, I would say. Yo, what the hell? Oh, Van, you're getting off? No problem. Peace out. It doesn't matter. One time, wrongfully ticket. I had proof and I was still wrong.
Bro, is that picture AI?
Yeah. Less than the ticket.
Dude.
But it was still hundreds of dollars. Or less than the tickets. Bro. I don't know if I should do it by myself, just file it by myself, or just have someone do it for me. I might just have someone do it for me. No, the fine was, I don't know, like $300, because most of the fine is for me apparently covering my license plate, which I wasn't. That part I know I won't pay. Dude, the thing I don't get is he came up to the car after the ticket and he's like, oh yeah, bro, like word for word, guys. I remember. He's like, oh yeah, bro, I give you a ticket for your license plate cover. You can have that on, but just show up to court and just dismiss it.
Then why the fuck are you?
That's what I'm saying. I said, you know, I always like, you know, I'm a good person. I'm respectful. I'm like, all right, bro, no problem. You know, I get it. I was wrong. My bad, bro. He's like, yeah, bro, just don't be a dumbass. You know, shit like that. But dude, if you're gonna tell me to go to court and dismiss it, why do you give it to me in the first place when I could just not waste my time? You know, you get what I'm saying, bro?
Yeah, I just want you to waste your fucking
They
time.
get money to go to court? Apparently they don't. Oh, I used to be a cop? Okay, then maybe they do. So you get money. Oh, what? Do you just get paid to just show up to court? Like, is it an extra thing, or is it like just based off salary? Oh, in Michigan? Oh, I don't know. I'm not a cop. I don't know anything about cops. Oh yeah. Okay. So if you used to be a cop, good thing I didn't. You know. What's it called? 4 hours overtime to show up for 15 minutes. Yo. Okay.
Damn.
So is it true? Because I've heard. I don't know if it's a myth or not, but is it true that at the end of the month, cops have, what is it called, quotas or something, where they need a certain amount of tickets a month? Is that true, or is that fake? Because apparently at the end of the month they're like on some, you know what I mean, not in Michigan, they got rid of that. Okay. I don't know about Florida,
That's
but
good, to be honest.
it sounds reasonable. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Dude, they'll dead ass pull you over for like the littlest things. So give anyone ticket. Yeah, I know, bro. Hey, it's how the state makes money, bro. That's how it is, bro. That's how it is. Tickets generate revenue. Yep. Cops earn commission per ticket they give. No way. Nah, that's impossible, bro. Tell me that right now. I'll literally become a cop right now and quit trading, bro. I promise you, bro. No, I don't think they earn commission for tickets. There's no way. That's not true. Yeah, no way, bro. Because then every cop will be like you know, like. Nah, that's not true. That's not true. There's no way they earn commission, because then everyone will be pulling over. You know what I mean? Everyone will be getting pulled over. Yo.
What the fuck is this?
Dude. Yeah. Dude, I'm surprised I'm still even on live right now, bro. David is funding the county. Dude, at this point I am, bro. I get a ticket like every other week. I can't speed on the water. I can't do anything. I can't breathe. I can't do I literally can't do anything. Like, I can't like go outside and like just be peaceful. You know what I mean? I can't like, bro. That's how it is, bro. And the funny thing is about it, bro, when I got that ticket, bro, there's a guy speeding in front of me as well. And the thing is, I feel like anytime I've gotten pulled over, it's like I'm targeted, bro. I feel like, and even with the BMW, bro, because there's people going the same speed as me, and they always go behind me, always, bro. I'm always the unlucky one, bro. I've never driven a jet ski. Like 25, maybe. I gotta change the oil on it. Cause you're right. Bro, come on, watch. But yeah. And yo, is Trump on the live still, or is it someone else speaking? Let me check.
I don't know.
Let me check. Yo, there's no way. Yo, I open up YouTube on my phone and I get an ad saying Florida driver's education, and it says here, You got a ticket. Don't let your insurance rates go up. I promise you guys, bro.
Dude, they're
Look.
listening, man. It's crazy.
Nah, but no, it's actually proven that they listen. Apparently, they say they listen to our microphones or whatever for ad purposes, for targeted ads. Look, bro, I'm being so dead ass, guys. Look at the thing. And they put a fucking South Park character. Like, bro. All right, let's see what we got here. No, Trump is not speaking just yet. No, guys, no Trump yet. No Trump yet.
He hasn't even started?
Nah, no, like the stream started. Like they're walking around, but he's not speaking.
Probably, okay.
Yeah. They listen to you, bro. You're gonna go to jail, dude. Imagine they pull up this audio clip in the court, and they're like, "Oh yeah, so you did go." Yo, imagine. Yo, this guy's getting pulled over right now, bro. Yo. Oh hell no, bro. No way, bro. Bro, what were you doing, bro? On your phone or something, or speeding?
He was watching the trade, bro.
Bro, this market, bro. We literally had the most perfect setup here as well. Yo, Nacha. Wait, if we pump up, how many points do we have to pump? 50. Oh, not bad. President Trump just said the traditional financial system is broken and crypto will fix it. No way. He's not even speaking. I just checked. He wasn't talking. Wait, let me check Twitter. Hold up. Maybe I'm looking at the wrong stream or something. Let's see. Oh yeah, Trump told European leaders and Zelensky that conceding territory will be necessary. Is that war or something? That was 7 minutes ago. Let me see how the market reacted to that. So we have one. How long ago? 7 minutes ago? 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. Yeah, nothing. Well, I guess the market kind of slowed off here a little bit, but yeah, no, nothing yet, guys. But yeah, in terms of news, there's not much happening. Trump is starting to speak, though, I will say, but not anything that the market is moving off of. Eric Trump says being cut from toward Bitcoin and crypto. Let me check. I would assume crypto would move off that, but no, we're not. Nothing right now is really coming out to really affect the markets. Remember, guys, if you guys want, I don't know if I'm gonna get off stream or not later on, but this is the setup that we're watching for today. We're just waiting on this inverse. Jenna, you're 31. What the hell?
Shit, unk.
Nah, for real.
We're still like fucking 25 or something.
Yeah, for real. Yo. Yo.
We both saw it.
Bro, Alexander, bro. Yeah, guys, right now what I'm pretty much waiting for is just a aggressive buying candle. Dave, do you like older women? Dude, anything but trading, bro. Anything but trading. Dude, I don't really care. Bro. Yeah, no, I mean, is it really a big deal? I mean, I guess everyone has their own preference. Tortas and blinkers, dude, those are my favorite things on earth, bro. My two favorite things. Yo. They ever read?
Oh, bro, it's disgusting.
Yo. Yo, come on now, bro. This is what happens when the chat gets out of hand, bro. Anyways, bro. Yeah, dude, I'm just waiting on some candle. Nah, sure. He's finally walking out. All right, bet. Let me pull up the stream real quick. Hold up. Let me pull up on the phone. Let's see what we got here.
Oh, yeah, be speaking.
He's speaking? All right, bet.
Yeah, like live right now.
All right, this one gets juicy. Oh yeah, he's speaking. All right. I'm not even gonna bother bro. I'm not even gonna bother putting this up on stream because in most cases, bro, most of us don't even know what Trump is saying. Like we don't even know how it affects the market. So we'll just see how the market reacts and then we just go off that. Well, when I repost, yo, come on now, bro. Yo, where's my speaker? Put up. Oh, it's right here. Yo.
This was all of us, though.
Yeah, bro. All of us, bro. Everyone in here. All right, let's see. So if we do take longs, we'll have two price targets. Will be 24,018.50 and 24,068.50. And then if we do trade this, we'll have a 30-point stop loss because obviously the market's not really so volatile. So 23,977 will be our stop loss. Yo, guys, I'm gonna go use the bathroom real quick.
All right, bet.
Yo, come on, bro.
Yo,
Come on, bro.
like
All right, I'll be back. Hold up.
He's not denying any of this either.
All right, but I'm back. Yo, it's so cold outside, bro. I'm back. Hold up. All right.
We haven't done shit, by the way.
What?
We haven't done shit.
I mean, yeah, he's just starting now. He has to get into the topics and all that shit. Give it maybe 15 minutes and we'll be there. Dave, do I swing both? No, bro. What? No, come on. All right, let's see what we got here. Yo, how do you guys find everything that I like on Instagram, bro? Like, is there like a dude? Did you see what this guy Rickster fucking posted, bro? Yo, nah, bro, nah, you guys are federal, bro. Yo, nah. Yeah, I'm gonna turn off the chat, bro. Hold up. Trump is just honoring people. Now Trump is now it's okay. So yeah, he's not speaking. Yeah, I guess he's because I did see the military there. So yeah, guys, this trade, like I said, it's probably gonna be a PM session type of trade. Proud to say that's my answer. Let's get it, bro. You know what I mean? At least you're on my side. He's speak. Is he speaking or is he honoring? Let me check. Because right now the market is not really moving at all, which we kind of expected otherwise. Let me check.
Magnificent. Michael had a different kind of a voice. He's just unbelievable.
I guess he's not honoring like the
Michael is
thing. Get off till PM. Yeah, I'm gonna give it a little bit more. He is speaking right now. So I'm gonna see if the market reacts. But if not, then I'll come back PM session and just look to take the setup if we go up. I mean, the seller exhaustion is coming in, so I mean, we should get bought up soon. You know what I mean? I'm expecting upside. I'm surprised David is still here, dude. If I get off, bro, I have nothing else to do, bro. Like, what am I gonna do? Go lay down in bed and watch TikTok and just rot in bed? You know what I mean? I'm not. That sounds pretty good right now. But no. Dude, the thing is, bro, when I get sidetracked, bro, I just keep talking, bro. Yo, this dude, bro. I'm gonna see if the market reacts here. Let me talk now. Yo, you think I look have some time for one clash match?
Fuck it, bro. Yeah.
Nah. I gotta lock in, bro.
Dude, we're pretty far away from it.
Dude, I've been stuck in the same trophies for like 3 weeks. I just can't get out. I lose one, I win one. I lose two, I win three. I lose three, I win two. It's like, dude, I can't get a break.
I don't bother with fucking ladder.
Dude, it sucks, bro. I just want to see if the market can like get out an aggressive push here.
He's talking about Sylvester Stallone, bro.
Who even is it?
That's an actor.
Bro.
Yeah, this is
Dude,
I don't know
anything
what
but
he's
trading,
talking
bro.
about.
Anything but trading. Crash for the day, not yeah, I don't even blame you, bro. I really don't.
Yeah, this isn't important at all. He's just like
Yeah,
honoring
but yeah,
people.
the market is kind of like, not much actually. I was gonna say the market's lucky raving, but dude, only 10 points. We'll see, dude. I mean, if we can get this inverse like soon, I'll probably just take it. Dude, Nick, I'm gonna take this at a really really light size. If I do take this, like maybe like what, 5 contracts maybe.
Wait, what'd you say? You cut out?
That I'm probably gonna just take this trade at like really light.
Okay.
Yeah.
What would I do?
I don't know. If anything, it's because the volume is not aggressive. Typically with the eval account,
Yeah.
I just prefer aggressive volume. But if anything, bro, I would say just maybe avoid this one for now, maybe. Or
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't know. Because the volume it's not even like stable right now. Like if we just with stable volume, then yeah, I'll take it for myself. But because we're looking like ripping a little bit here. Like it's not anything crazy. 26 points. Guys, can you guys update me on what Trump is talking about? Is it still like the actor or something, or is he actually talking about the economy?
Yeah, bro, he's really not talking about anything important. I'm watching right now.
Bro, let's do Trump.
I'm talking about fucking Rocky.
No, but watch. When we get into the streets, let's just start speaking of fucking war, tariffs, and everything.
He's gonna switch up, bro. Let's talk about Ukraine.
What would have happened? He's become a legend of the silver.
Trump, lock in, bro. We need this train right now, bro. Are you just honoring soldiers? It's a Kennedy Awards.
Dude,
Oh,
not
so
even soldiers, like fucking actors.
no. Now we are looking like I don't know what it is, but we're getting like a nice
Yeah,
candle
no,
than
it's-
usual, like nicer candle than usual. Yeah, pretty much 30 points almost. He did mention at the beginning, after he mentions the Kennedy honors or honorees or honors or whatever, he'll talk about DC. And I think his meeting on Friday. Okay, got it. Are we thinking this shit on evals? Probably not, man. Probably not. Yo. Yo, have you guys tried the new McDonald's like what is it? It's like that blue and pink drink. That thing looks fire. It's like the cotton candy drink.
Is it frozen? Like a
No,
McFlurry
it's a
kind of?
slushy. It actually looks really good.
Oh, slush.
Yeah, I might go get it. Dude, that's like diabetes in a cup. It literally is diabetes in a cup. I can't
Dude,
imagine that,
everything
man.
there is.
Yeah, dude. I can't imagine how much sugar's in there.
Dude, a McFlurry, like a regular small one, has like fucking 75 grams
Yo.
of sugar, something like. It's insane,
I mean,
dude.
bro, you only live once, bro. Nah, but do you guys know what I'm talking about? Have you guys tried it? Nah, that thing came out yesterday, bro. So if you already tried it, bro, you guys are some Mick fat asses, bro. That it's morning time, bro. You know what I mean? How many counts are you gonna answer? Blast keys. Maybe like 5 on this one. Just because I don't like the setup is there, but it's just I don't know. There's something about today's market I just don't like that much. The McDonald's menu is poison. Dude, the McChickens are looking fire. Yeah, that dude, I think looks really good. Dude, that thing has to have like minimum 100 grams of sugar. Yo, I get it, bro. I misspelled sore. I get it, bro. I don't know how to spell sore. But yeah, dude, I might go get that after. But I'm just ask. Dude, you don't have to censor the word, bro. You're good, bro. You can curse it here. No, but like, I mean, no, like I get it. Some people don't like cursing though. Maybe just some religious stuff and all that stuff. What are you trying to be? Yeah, no, I get it. I didn't want to make it sound like that way. No, don't say that word, bro. Yeah. Shaman followed by this one. Yeah. What is this supposed to mean? Yo, bro.
Bro, download it.
Nah, but this market's dead ass slow as hell, bro. I don't want to get off stream because I know the second I get off stream, it's gonna rip up into the highs, bro.
I think he's just anticipating what he's gonna say, but
We'll see.
once it's
We'll see.
over, it'll be good.
There, every Chris trading, you're gonna see him working at McDonald's drive-thru near you. Come on, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I'm probably the stingiest guy in the world with my money, bro. And the cheapest guy, yeah. I mean, dude, you know what I mean? We didn't get here for no. Bro, I'm gonna ban you right now, bro. Shut up, bro. Let me cancel the chat, bro. Let me go with some ban hammers, bro. Yeah, I got you. Let me see. Call it day plus tomorrow. No, I mean, dude, I hope you guys know. I'm not trading Friday, and you guys shouldn't. It's OPEX. Remember, guys, OPEX is Friday. All right, guys. So be careful Friday. But I do want to give you guys something today, bro. I don't really feel like getting off right now. Because I know I am gonna be trading the PM session. So I mean, we're right around the corner. I just want to
Yeah.
see.
I don't got shit to do today, so honestly, I'll probably.
Yeah, no, me neither. Honestly.
PM, I'll be on too.
Oh yeah, PMI is tomorrow. That's right. What's on Friday? OPEX option expiry. So it's when a bunch of options get expired and a bunch of money is taken out of the markets, which makes it just very, very choppy. What's that face cam? Dude, look, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, bro. I feel super motivated when I'm on stream. Like, I'm like, dude, I look want to have my face cam on. But when I wake up, bro, the last thing I want to do is, bro, like, do my hair. I promise you guys, I wake up like 1 minute before market opens. If anything, sometimes I wake up like a little bit after market opens. Dude, I look like a hobo right now. Like, dude, what is it called, bedhead or something?
Yeah, dude. No, I wake up at.
Dude, yeah, I know.
Jesus Christ.
The huzz are not here, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. Anytime I'm talking to someone, bro, they do dude. I don't know what it is about some girls, bro. But dude, they find everything about me, bro. They're like, oh, you train? I'm like, what? And you know, and they find my YouTube and everything. But no, to be fair though, I think what it is if someone has my number, it will show them like under the suggested accounts, like my main account and my
Yeah, well,
my
for
work
sure.
account. Yeah. So they look at it, bro, and they see me trading and shit. Cause dude, I promise you, bro. Anytime I talk to someone new, bro, it's like, oh, you train? Oh, you do this? Oh my god, I've always wanted to invest. It's like, yo, dude, I'm about to private my other Instagram. I don't even use it. All right, bro. When were you able to quit my job? My job? Dude, I never worked, and I'm not trying to make it sound like I'm some spoiled brat or anything. No, guys, so I started trading at 15. I didn't really need money back then. You know what I mean? My mom would take care of me. But yeah, no, I was applying to jobs when I like almost turned like when I was turning profitable in trading, and I remember I applied to Home Depot, and literally as I was like gonna go like the following week, that's when I started like when my account flipped from red to green, and I'm like, nah, bro, I can't go right now. And dude, thank the
Lucky
Lord,
you,
bro.
bro.
Thank
You
the
got
Lord, bro.
profitable just as
Yeah,
you're about
just
to
in
like.
time, bro. Because my mom, dude, look at my mom's getting on my ass, bro.
Yeah, that's how it is.
No, I got it back, bro. I got it back. Yo, did you guys hear about the what is it called? Nick, you probably know about it. It's like the T app getting exposed or something. Dude, that's just looky funny as hell, bro.
Yeah, the
Dude,
T
that's
app where
weird, bro.
people
Some people are looking weird as hell, bro. They made a whole website to
Yeah.
expose other people. Like, bro, come on.
like.
And then they got mad when they exposed them. You know, after the data got breached or something. Dude, that shit was so funny, bro. Yeah, bro. My cousin got put on. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Dude, I was probably on there, bro. I could probably, yo. Is there a way to check? I'm not gonna lie. I'm probably on there, bro. Because I'm not gonna lie, bro. Look, I make mistakes. You know what I mean? I make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. You know.
Mistakes.
I won't lie. I was looking scared to be there, dude. I'm not gonna. Dude, I think I'm on there, bro. On there for what? Next question. How long you been in the gym? I don't really go as often anymore. I don't go south anymore. Are you a victim? Mm-hmm. Yep. Oh, I'm cooked. Let me see. Oh, you're that guy on the tee. Oh, nah. Yo, that
Oh
happens
my
federal, bro. Dude, I'm not gonna. Is there a way to check? Let me see. Let me
Dude, I
download
want
it.
to download it just so
Yeah,
like
I'm gonna.
yeah.
Dude, I'm not gonna lie, bro. Because yo, some people are low key like, or did they take it down? Oh no, it's
There's
still
one
up.
called.
T dating advice.
That's what I don't know if that's the original one, but
No, it
probably
is. It
is.
is right. It has to be. Helping
Yeah.
women date safe, dude. What the hell? Do I have to like give out like my social security and shit to sign up?
Yeah. What if it like?
Yeah, no,
What if they
dude.
only
The
allow
data already got
women?
breached, bro. I'm obviously not gonna put it there. You know what I mean?
Fuck no.
Does anyone in here have it that you can search on my name? Don't sign up after. Obviously not, dude. That is not my name, bro. yeah. If anyone has it, bro, look us up, bro. Please. Like you're doing me and everyone here a huge favor, bro. Nah, but guys, on a more serious note, on the chart, I know you guys are here for the charts and everything. Like I said, this trade is gonna have to happen during the PM session. Right now, the market is not really doing much. So right now, I'm just on to kind of just chit chat. We do have some volume though. I will say. You're married, you're good, bro. You never know, bro. I mean, there's some crazy exes out there. You know what I mean? There's a lot of people that like don't like to show it in person that they care about you still, but you know deep down they probably still do, or they probably wish for the worst for you. You know what I mean? That's how people is.
Oh, dude, yeah. I'm signing up right now. It wants me to take a selfie of myself, bro,
Yo.
to verify I'm a woman. Oh, fuck no.
No, does anyone in here actually have it? Let me see. Let me scroll up in the chat.
Yeah, they got me here. Unless I put on a fucking wig, maybe.
Jenna has it. Jenna, come on now.
Yeah, no.
Nah, bro, that's looking some scary shit, bro. Dude, imagine you're like trying to go on about your life, and you're talking to this one girl. And she's like, "Oh, like, what happened with your last relationship?" And she just knows everything about it, dude. That'll be like Loki. Some. I'll be like, what are you talking about? Yo. What time's the PM session? After 1 p.m. EST. Right now, we're currently in the
Yeah, I
shower.
saw here that you like roofied her. Like what?
What? What are you talking? No, bro. That's crazy, bro. Nah, and the thing is, bro, they can look lie about you as well. I mean, you
They
know what I mean?
can, yeah. There's
That's
it's not
crazy,
verified at all.
bro.
How do they know? Can you like upload pictures of the guy?
Yeah. Dude, if you go to the App Store, there's like
God.
literally a picture of a guy there saying, it says here, he ghosted me. Avoid dating red flag men. Dude, dude. Okay. I don't know if that's like, I don't know if this app is like very childish or like very like, in a way, I mean, there's some really bad people out there, but like,
Yeah, there's some straight like predators out there, you know?
no, but I don't think it's, nah, I don't think it's, because dude, if you're old enough to date, bro, you're fine. You know what I mean? I don't think it's that.
I mean, yeah, but
But like, I get it. There's people out there, but like, dude, like, it can be taken the wrong way so,
yeah.
like, dude, it's literally someone just sent a screenshot
Anyone
like not so long ago.
make something up.
He was on, what's that? I think that app is called Hinge or something.
Mm-hmm.
And it says here, oh, you that guy on the T app, LOL. Huh? Are you dead ass? And it says here, yeah, and I quote, they was just saying you a cheater and that you love bomb girls so you could just fuck. Yo, and said that you have a group called Yo. Yo, the Instagram group chat got leaked, bro. Yo, nah, bro. I know I'm on there, bro. I know. Yo, dude, that's actually funny, bro. Joe, come on now, Sergio. That's it, bro. That's move him on. All right, bro. Yeah, wait, by the way, would you guys be down to come back during the PM session? I don't want to hold you guys in here for too long because I keep seeing people leave. I mean, I'm bored. I'm just staying on here, but I'm scared that one day, one of my friends in our group, dude, me too. I mean, dude, everyone says it, bro. It's not a big deal as long as you're not saying it like with the wrong like meaning. It's not a big deal. That's my opinion. I feel like nowadays, bro, a lot of people in the world are very soft, bro. It's just normal.
Yeah, for sure.
Do you mean a power? No, PM session, like PM, like after lunch hour. Were you looking for shorts to the downside? Well, yeah, but the thing is, we never got that. Look, I was looking for shorts here. We missed the entry by 4 to 5 points, and we dumped down into all of my price targets. Now that all of my price targets got hit, obviously, I'm not really looking for shorts anymore. Even if we do want to go lower, I'm just not interested. Bro. I slipped up on stream twice, saying the soft A. What is that?
The N word with the A.
Dude, I'm not gonna lie. It's not really a big deal, bro. Look, as long as you're not saying it with like hate meaning behind it, bro. Like, there's just a word. Most people say it as like a replacement for bro.
Yeah,
you know what I mean,
like bro. Or,
yeah,
or,
like
yeah.
who gives a fuck, bro? No, I'm not gonna say it. No, I'm on stream. Like, no, chill. You guys are trying to get me canceled here, bro. But that's my opinion. You know what I mean? I just think people are really soft. And it's the people that you would expect. Like, it's the people that have nothing to do with it that react the most. You get what I'm saying? You get what I'm saying, Nick? But it's, I don't know. I'm going to avoid this topic because I feel like it's going to get, like, you know. Next question. I don't know. I think after quarantine happened, bro, the whole world just went super soft. Like, for literally anything. Yeah, bro. After the 5-minute inversion got stopped. Dude, look what you're trading, bro. You want to see what you're trading, bro? Look what you're trading. Come on, bro. What are you trading here, bro? Come on now.
What are you doing?
Yo, I'm not gonna lie, bro. Guys, you guys have me like low-key stressing right now, bro. I don't know if I'm actually on the T app or not, bro. Like, I need to check. I just can't. I can't log in, bro. I need someone here to get it for me, bro. He's taking questions now. Oh, perfect. Okay, so now we should be moving. Let me open up YouTube real quick. Hold up. Let me check.
Oh, yeah. He's answering questions about Russia.
They're stuck. They don't know what to do. They have probably more, I would say more than half are sane.
Yeah, I'm not even gonna listen. I'll just see if the market reaction up. You're on the app, bro. I just looked in your. Nah, bro. Chill. Nah, I know you're trolling, bro. You're one of the trolls in here, bro. And the thing is, if I see myself on there, I know exactly who it will be.
Dude, it's gonna say like.
Oh, it's gonna say the name.
Oof. I don't know. Actually,
I think it's anonymous, no? I think you just search up someone's name and they're just on the database with like all the fucking red flags or something.
The person that submits it is anonymous.
That's so stupid, bro. Why am I not anonymous?
Yeah.
Why? You know, I'm actually glad that everything got leaked. Because, dude, if you're on there, bro, honestly, you deserve
I
it.
wanted me to like take my socks off on the first
Yo.
date. Yo.
Nah. That I still like, dude. If you're on that shit, actually doing that, bro, and you got like the whole data leak thing, bro. I'm not trying to be like a bad person or anything, but dude, come on now, bro. How's that fair? You know what I mean? Do they say anything good about the person though? Like, are there any green flags, or is it only like them stating the red flags? Because if it is, then that's not fair at all. If only red flags. I mean, I would imagine. You know what I mean? It's a T app. You only talk about bad stuff. You know what I mean? So it's like you could do a million good things, and you do one little bad thing, and you're on the app, and people think that you're just a bad person. That's crazy, bro. I don't know how the apps will even approve that shit, bro. It's not fair. It's not, bro. I mean, it's not, bro. It's really not. Come on now. I'll leave my info for you for
What
access
they
to the
make it
bro.
both men and women.
No joke. I see you. Yo, chill, chill. Nah, DM me a screenshot. I don't, dude. My heart low-key dropped. Yo, imagine. And the thing is, dude, knowing my situation, bro. Dude, I probably am on there. Chill. No one, dude. If I get caught, bro, no one here is safe, bro. Nah, Lauren, DM me for real, like for real. Yo, my heart's fucking racing. Dude, was not out there like that,
Bro,
yo, Jenna, come on, bro.
how does she know?
Did we go? Wait, bigger for 5 minutes for rally gap on the 15-minute time for image to take? Is it better to enter off the 5-minute gap? We don't have anything on the 5-minute time frame. Oh, this one right here. No, it's not.
Not the same one as a 15.
Yeah, that's pretty much the same one. Yeah, if we inverse this and we pump up less than 10 points, we'll still inverse that 5-minute. Not that it's a fair rally gap either way. Dude, I've never done long distance and I just didn't enjoy it. I wanted to try it out. You know what I mean? You know, you only live once. You know what I mean? It was really expensive.
That sounds
and
terrible. I
just
can't.
Very. No,
can't
it was just time consuming. I just didn't enjoy it. You know what I mean? But hey, bro, you never know until you never know until you try it. You know what I mean? But yeah, no, I mean, I had people that did warn me. Like, bro, people's like, dude, long distance never works. Dude, you know, even my mom told me. Long distance left me cooked multiple times. But it's not even that it's a bad thing. It's just like, you know, like it's like, dude, in moments where you wanted to, you know, like hang out, you know what I mean? Like you can't because you got to spend fucking $1,000 on a flight. You got to spend $1,000 on Airbnb, $1,000 on a car, and $1,000 on dinner. You know what I'm saying, bro? Like it's just, it's not worth it, bro.
You're more worried about like the time consuming, but like, dude, I would be anxious about like cheating for the most part.
I mean, I guess, bro. I mean, if you have locations, I don't know. I mean, dude, if you get like a clingy girl, it's the last. I promise you, bro. If you get a clingy girl, bro, the last thing you have to worry about is cheating. I promise you, bro.
Mm.
Well, at least for me, I've never had an issue with that. I mean, dude, to be fair, bro, I treat everyone like a fucking princess, so there's no reason to. You know what I mean? Oh, I got a message. Let's see what we got here. Oh, what the heck? Oh, sweet. Yo, guys, Apex just sent me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. They just sent me 20 accounts. Yo, I'm about to stack up for myself, bro. Fuck all y'all guys.
Damn, bro.
Nah, I'm just kidding. No, they gave me 20 accounts to give away. Thank you so much. I'm not gonna give them away now. Though, hold on. I have to set up the giveaway. I'll do it once. Expire. Yeah, guys. I just got 20 accounts, so yeah, we could do a giveaway soon. I would love to get one. I'm gonna save them for. Hold on, I gotta set up the giveaway then. Yeah, she literally just sent it to me. Yo, fire. I'm not gonna do them over the weekend though. I feel like I should do them over like on stream or something. So what, guys? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set it up. I'm gonna wait for this discount to end, and whatever discount we have next, I'll just do it there when it comes out. But yeah, 20 accounts, guys. I'll do a 20 account giveaway soon. Yo, come on now, bro. Let's see. She's typing up real quick. Nah, but I hope you guys know. I don't really. It's commission. Like commission is never much. And I typically always do the giveaways out of my own pocket because I mean I don't really mind. It's just a few $100, you know what I mean? But Apex actually I don't know if they saw my stream or something or you know what I mean, whatever. But they reached out, you know what I mean? And they offered. And now it's just, you know. How do you answer? Oh, I have to organize. I'll organize it today. See, let the content work. It's amazing. Just give it up. I'm very sure. Okay, so the accounts expire on October 31st. So yeah, we have time. We have time. We have time. Okay, there you go. Okay, anyways, all right, let's see what we got here. But yeah, guys, I'm not gonna lie, bro. This chop right here is garbage. So I might just come back PM session in a bit. Let me catch up with the chat here. But yeah, are you guys down? Obviously, I'm not even gonna ask, bro. I was about to say, are you guys down for the giveaway? Obviously, you guys are. It's free accounts. I mean, who?
Of course.
Bro, one thing in life, bro, is never say no to free stuff, bro. Never, 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 never. All right, bro. If life, look, what is saying? If life gives you lemons, bro, I don't know, some shit like that. But yeah, no, I'll do the giveaway. Maybe so the 80% discount code is ending tomorrow, I think, or Friday, one of those days. But once it starts back up, I'll give some accounts away. 20 accounts to be exact. All right, guys. So we'll get that going. Is there no discount if the 80% off is ending? It'll be 50% off, but I'm sure Apex will start one up again, like very soon. What about candy in a van? Dude, it's free, bro. Fuck it. The join was good, bro. What's up, bro? You joined at probably possibly the best time because you missed absolutely nothing in the market day. Yeah, man, guys, I'm gonna get off for a little bit, bro. I'm gonna go eat some food, bro. I'm starving, guys. I'm gonna come back during the PM session. Yeah, no, we're just gonna, guys. Before you guys get off, wait, don't stop clicking the button. Stop clicking the button, guys. Go on your chart and mark the setup out. This is the setup that we're gonna be watching for later. So once the inferences, whether I alert it, a little bit earlier or later, you guys know when to enter. All right, guys. So mark this on your chart once again. I'm gonna leave it here for a second.
And if you do alert it instead of going live?
No, I'll go live. Actually, I don't know. Okay. It depends on the volume.
Okay, yeah, I don't know if
I'll let you know. Don't worry.
Bye.
All right, yeah, guys, I'm gonna get off for a little bit, bro. I mean, I'm starving, bro, and the market is not moving, not even 1 penny, bro. Look at this shit. So if price picks up to the upside, we'll just take longs off this right here. All right, guys. So once again, mark it out on your chart. All right, guys. But yeah, other than that, guys, man, I'll see you guys later then. Not tomorrow, but later, and also tomorrow, but later. You know what I mean? Yeah. All right, guys. I'll see you guys later then. All right, guys. Yeah, peace out, guys. Peace out, Nick.
All right, peace.
See
you, bro.
And YouTube, guys, hopefully you guys are able to enjoy the stream, man. No trades today, honestly. We had a setup, almost worked out. We didn't get the entry. We're into our price targets. So we're still waiting on something here. I will be going live for the premium later on. So if you guys want to get access to the premium live, guys, click the first link in the description and join the winning side there. It's how you can get access to zero delayed live trading, real-time text alerts, real-time education, real-time community that helps you out. Literally everything you need in your trading journey. We're all there. All right, guys. So if you guys do want to join, guys, it is the first link in the description. I'm really hoping to see you guys in there. And other than that, guys, I'm going to come back later. I mean, for the premium, at least. I'm going to go live for the premium later on today. And for the YouTube live, I'll be on tomorrow. And honestly, tomorrow should be a little bit better as we do have PPI coming out. So hopefully the market is on some crack so we can make a lot of money. You know what I mean? But yeah, other than that, guys, man, hopefully you guys are able to enjoy the stream. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow then. All right, guys. Peace out, guys.